Maybe we're working. I don't know if we are. Good morning. What's going on, everybody? It is another market open. Hopefully you've grabbed your coffee. You are ready to go for the day because we are going to be making money with AMC. So if you don't like that, I think you might be in the wrong place because we only make money here. We got Matt Perry and Blackjack Dealer and Neo Wolf in the chat already. What is going on, guys? Good morning to you. Steve Danger was not first. I don't believe it. Where's he at? Come on. You got to get in here quicker than that. How's everybody doing this morning? Good? Doc Airlines is in the house. What's going on, Doc? How are you doing this morning? Everything is working correctly. If it is, let me know. It seems like it's working over here on my end, but hey, who the heck knows these days, man? I don't know if it's working or not until you tell me it's working. So that is what we need to see. I can't watch anyone else's live. Doc, that is a good thing for me, man. I don't know if that's because you prefer my live or if you literally cannot watch anybody else's live. But it's a good thing for me, Doc. I'm glad to have you here. Did you receive the tweet about the low volume? Hold on, my tablet. I should probably go grab my tablet. My tablet's over there, and I didn't see something else. I didn't see what tweet you're referring to, though. Good, bro. How are you this morning, Doc? I'm doing great, man. Hopefully you're doing well as well. We got Weeble up on the chart right now, up on the screen, and all right, we got a couple red minutes and a green minute forming right here. So let's zoom in just a little bit more. I want to see what we got going on. All right, cool. They are boring. Well, guess what? You're in the right place, man, because we are not boring. Yeah. So, yes, I did not receive that tweet. I could probably go look at it if I grab my tablet. And, did you guys get notifications that I was going live this morning? Or you just were ready? You were just in there and ready and prepared. Because you know about the 9:30 open. We got a live going on until about, I don't know, 12:30 or so. Break for lunch. Come back at 3 o'clock. Hit the after hours up. Samantha J, good morning to you. How are you? That emoji you posted there looks just like Ohio. Nice and sunny. A lot of grass. Looking good. Looks just like, actually, that emoji you posted looks exactly like Weeble right now. One hill right here, another hill right here. We just need a nice sun right in the middle of it. I like it. Jason N, what's up, ClayBro? How are you doing? No notification. Got one yesterday, though. Gotcha, Doc. Hopefully they don't mess it up. Notifications, got it. Fred, very nice, my friend. The chat moves slow enough I can actually participate, and it is my signal, and my signal can handle it. Plus, I love your energy and vibes. Neo. The chat does move very slow at sometimes in here, and even if it starts to move faster, you can still participate, man, because I can answer all of the chat. Test me, I dare you. Nini Waka, good morning. How are you? Got my notification. Very good, Amanda. Glad you did. Your last video stated you are looking for low volume. However, every time we have large volume, we go up in price. I'm confused as to why you think that. I assume a lot of us are. Can you explain? I assume a lot of us are. Can you explain? Oh, a lot of you guys are confused. Yeah, man, absolutely. But you're dead wrong in assuming that every time we have high volume, we go up in price. So you need to stop assuming that right off the bat. High volume does not mean higher price. High volume means higher momentum. If you have a lot of buyers jumping in, yes, currently there are a lot of buyers interested in getting into AMC because they don't want to miss out. Those FOMO buyers we talk about. So if we do have high volume, we have a good chance of going up in that case. But you need to stop associating high volume with high price, and that's incorrect. High volume means high momentum, high volatility. High volume, there's no risk for the hedge funds when it comes to covering their positions if there's high volume. That they can go out there, it's all the shares they need to cover are completely available in a 3-hour time frame. They can cover all their shares if they want in one day if the volume is there. If the volume's not there, that creates a drastic risk for them. There's nowhere to cover their shares from. So that is, hopefully that explains a little bit of it. If you want to go into more detail, we can absolutely go into more detail, but stop assuming that high volume equals higher prices. Low volume will be what on the short squeeze? Yes, no shares being offered. Absolutely, Matt. That is the indication that nobody is willing to sell. Will we get there, dude? I don't know if we'll actually get to We're probably never going to get to the amount of shares that I want to see. We're probably never going to get to like super low volume. And people always trade stocks, right? There's always going to be somebody willing to trade this stock at that price. But yeah, ideally, in a perfect world, nobody would be trading AMC. Everybody would be holding it, and we would literally be able to ask whatever price we want. So, I mean, it's like a perfect world scenario, but you got to go with it. Again, will be high volume spikes. Yes, again, when they have to go out. That's the kind of stuff we want to see high volume spikes on, though. When they are forced to go out and buy positions. When they're forced to go out during a gamma squeeze. When they're forced to go out during a short squeeze and buy those stocks up. I hate seeing high volume when people are just willing to trade this stock at the current price. Sean says, good morning, bros. What is going on, Sean? Okay, so I want a Vigilante custom shirt with the Vegeta blue. With this Vegeta, I don't have. I would have to. I'd have to get that color. We can get this color though. I currently only have a dark blue, very similar actually to the blue color that's on the mod names. But dude, I'm thinking, yeah, if we do like custom shirts, I want to get Ape Father a shirt for coming on the stream. That was a lot of fun, and like Nick F, man, I'm gonna get him a shirt. Vigilante, you can get another custom shirt with like Nick F on the side, and maybe Vigilante or Matt Perry, whatever on the side, whatever you prefer there, on the sleeve. Wait. We are waiting. What is up, Vigilante? Neo, I cannot be responsible for you missing any massive short squeezes or any massive squeeze during pre-market. I recommend a second alarm or reaching out to Ben or I for insider pinks. There you go. Reach out to Blackjack Dealer. Some nights I'm afraid to sleep. Don't be afraid to sleep, man. It's all good, Blackjack Dealer. A Vigilante... A Vigilante, that's my Bulma shirt. Possibly. We gotta get the sister. If the sister's in the chat right now and she can do it, then we can do it. I don't know what all it takes for her to plug all this stuff into her machine that she's got and get it printed out. So, if she could do it, we can do it. So here's my thing, Clay. Yesterday was the lowest volume in over a month, and we went up a few pennies. What kind of low volume are you? I'm looking for zero. Like as low as it gets. I'm looking for zero volume. No shares traded whatsoever. Pretend that the stock is suspended and nobody is allowed to trade it. That's the low volume I'm looking for. Absolutely zero shares traded. Good morning, Charles Park. What are you doing, man? FOMOS. Anyone? No, FOMOS. Where's my early morning highly functionals? Nowhere to be found, Blackjack. 65 today? Yeah, we're going 65 today, King. We're going 65. Zero. Yeah, dude, it doesn't get any lower than zero. Like, if you ask me how low I want volume to go, I'll just tell you zero, because it doesn't get any lower than that. That means that we are diamond handing the stock. Nobody's selling a single share. And then the price goes up, guys. The price goes up after that. 1K volume in the day. I could settle, okay, if I could settle for 1K volume in the day, I could do that as well. I'm on board with that. I would like to see zero, but if we have to give 1,000 shares, I'll give 1,000 shares. Like on your way in, Amanda. Thank you for telling these people to like on their way. I think everybody's sleeping. I'm convinced that 90% of my viewers live in California and they're all sleeping right now. They have to be. I need to steal some of Matt's East Coast viewers, for sure. So if any hedge funds get a margin call, wouldn't this be over? No hedge funds want to be last to cover, right, Clay? Charles, I don't think it would be necessarily over if one got a margin call, but it just depends. I don't know what all their portfolios look like. You know, if you look at Citadel, they have a very low overall portion of their funds set up with AMC. Now, yeah, they're probably shorting a lot more than other hedge funds are, but they have, relative to their $407 billion portfolio, AMC's not a huge chunk of it. Other hedge funds might be more heavily invested, but they don't have the amount of capital that Citadel does. So I don't necessarily know if it's going to be a race for every single one of them to cover at the same time. Some of them have probably hedged a little bit better than others, and they can ride the wave on the upside as well and make some decent money and then ride it back down once the other hedge funds cover. But, yeah, so I don't know if every single one of them will be covering at the same time, but dude, if the price goes to where we want to take it, then yeah, they're going to be covering. They don't want to, they can't afford that type of risk. Ohio is up. That is what matters. King Dominic, Ohio is up. We move a little slower in Ohio. All right, make one form. What are we making? I don't even know. We gotta make one for who? You need a bro mug. We do need a bro mug. Yes, we need a. I don't even have a bro mug. Imagine that. We got Spider-Man. We got Dragon Ball Z. We got the coffee prescription. We need a bro mug. I was like, Matt Perry says, Shayna, yes, he does. And then make one for him. Make one for me, please. Somebody make one for me. We're going to get another oil-tipped mess-up today. I sure hope so. Those are the best mess-ups, man. Callie here just woke up, ready to jump 65 at close. Antoine, is it Antoine? No. Antonio, me. Let's do it, dude. Let's do it. 65 close. You are up bright and early in California. Glad to have you here. Sideways all day. Hey, man, possibly, but I would love a nice bump. I was born in Ohio. It's my home state. Very nice, Neo Wolf. Good state. Thanks. Great explanation, Clay. Charles, man, hopefully that helped out. I don't know. If it didn't, ask me again. I can try to go over it again. Sister should hook him up with a bro and orb on the other side of the mug. Yeah, so I can, during the videos, I can drink out of the orb side, and then during the live stream, I can drink out of the bro side. I might need one of those since everything's mirrored in the videos for some reason. Boom! I like it. Boom. I need a bro mug. Nini Waka wants a bro mug as well. We gotta figure out how to print. There's gotta be a way to print on mugs. Shayna needs to hook us up with a bro mug, right? Somebody does. Done, Nick. Done and done. Everybody's gonna get these bro mugs. Perfect. Would anybody want a bro mug? I think if we're gonna do morning streams, people need to drink out of their bro mugs. Wait. Is that Shayna, bro? I don't know what we're talking about. I'm putting things together in my head. Clay, get in on the push-up position and spin like a helicopter with no hands. Latino. What? Oh my gosh. Live is mirrored too. Oh, the live is mirrored too now. Yeah, because that I have to have that backwards. Dude, all these cameras are just, they're messing with me, man. It doesn't, like, it's weird because I'm looking at the screen, and when I look at the screen, like, yeah, this is to my left, but technically, if you're looking at me, it probably looks like this is my right hand, doesn't it? It would look like this is my right hand, but this is not my right hand. Like, all of this stuff this is left. This is all left. Which it's on the left side of the screen. So if you were looking that way, technically it should be on the right side of the screen. I would get confused. I could flip it. All I gotta do is click a button on the phone, and I could flip it around, but I would get confused if I was looking at the screen and the blue was on the right-hand side, because I'm sitting here looking at you guys, and the blue's on my left. So, yeah. Let's, don't confuse. You guys can stay confused, but let me stay not confused, because you're allowed to be confused in the chat. I can't be confused on the screen. So, if I get confused on the screen, things can get a little weird pretty quick. Good morning, A-Woo. How are you? Brendan Fraser, that's right. No, this is left. This is left, man. I promise. This is left. You need more coffee. We do, yes. Just everybody calm down a minute. We'll drink some more coffee, and we'll figure it out. But this is totally the left, I promise. Morning, Clay. Can you ask Chip Bro why the stock is going down? He said he doesn't have any seeds right now. That's why the stock is going down. If Chip Bro is happy, the stock is happy. And currently, Chip Bro does not have any free seeds. He's out foraging for real seeds. And I believe that is why the stock is going down at the moment. But it's all right, right? Bro, you look pale. Are you okay? Dude, I am pale. Maybe it's the light, dude. Look. What about now? Look a little orange, don't I? Yeah. Chip Bro. Agent Jack Stone, welcome to the little bro, my friend. Thank you so much for grabbing that green name. I love it. Makes it a lot easier to see in the chat, I promise you. And now we bounce. Hey, we can only bounce if we're bouncing off a line. So let's bounce off that line right there, guys. We'll bounce off that line. Everybody welcome Agent Jack Stone. Please, if you are a bro, He is now a bro. Welcome him to the brotherhood. Big green candle coming soon. Sean, let's see it. You guys remember when Chris Hansen said it was going to be 70 pre-market? I don't know if it was 70 pre-market. Pour some coffee on your keyboard. AMC needs to wake up. Rudy, that is excellent advice. I might do it, man. I might do it. Clay, scroll back to Daniel Corbet's question. Oh, I set a 100% transfer out of Robinhood to Webull. Webull will pay some portion for you to loan your shares. Would it be wrong to loan them out, get paid, and then buy more AMC? Daniel, good question. Here's the deal, dude. Here's the deal. Webull doesn't pay you. The broker doesn't pay you for keeping your shares on a margin account. Now, I don't know if you opened a margin account or if you opened a cash account, right? But if your shares are available for loan, the broker is the one taking the risk. You're essentially not really loaning your shares out. Because if you think of a loan in a conventional stance, if you loan money out, there's risk involved with that, right? You do collect a premium to offset that risk, but there's always a risk of default. So if you have your shares available for loan, maybe I should go a little bit bigger to the explanation. I don't know. If you have your shares available for loan, Webull, the broker, whatever broker you're using, is taking on 100% of that risk. They're the ones that will cover those shares if the hedge funds default. You're not on the hook to cover those shares if the hedge funds default. It's your broker that lends them out. So they're the one that's going to collect the borrow fee. And the borrow rate on AMC right now, I believe, is extremely low. So I wouldn't even, it doesn't even make sense to loan shares out at the borrow rate right now. But they will be doing it. So dude, at the end of the day, I don't really care if you loan your shares out. I know a lot of people say against it, but there's so few shares available to short that it's not going to create the downward pressure that the hedge funds need in order to keep us down, guys. I think there was like 600,000 shares available yesterday, something like that, and they need so much more than that if they want to force that downward pressure on us. But yeah, your broker will be the one benefiting from loaning those shares out. Do not go into the shared lending program. Yeah, listen, it's not going to benefit you in any way. So I wouldn't recommend it in that sense, but I don't care if you do, just because I don't think that the hedge funds are going to find enough shares to short. It's really going to cause us a problem. I feel like they're digging themselves deeper into a hole if they do short those shares. They borrow them to short them. But I don't think they're going to get their hands on enough shares to cause some damage. But at the same time, you're not going to benefit from it at all. And Brandon says, yes, you can what? No, you can't. You're not allowed. Yes, you can. I don't even know what's going on now. No, you can't. Yes, you can. No, you can't. Yes, I can. Clay, I don't need the VXRT video anymore. Getting out with a profit today. Nice, Agent Jack. Nice, man. Any profit is a good profit. Only 7 likes. Wake up, guys. Wake up. 7 likes. What are you doing? Blackjack Dealer says, get that chipmunk some nuts. I got the screen closed. If he comes and jumps up on the screen, then we will we'll see if he's hungry, but I haven't seen him this morning, so. Morning, ClayBro and Chip Bros hitting the like button and checking in. Thank you very much, DD214, for clicking that like button. I appreciate that. We need to get Chip Bro set up with a stream over there so that when he comes in, he can click the like button as well. I would love that. Bro, I'm keep getting call from AMC. They call me like 5 times a day. Does AMC call? Should I talk with them? Football lover, I don't think that AMC is going to be calling you. Okay? I mean, if they do and you want to answer them, it's probably a scam. But just be careful, okay? I wouldn't recommend talking to them because I don't think they're going to be calling you, especially if you're not a shareholder on record. You're probably a street name shareholder, and your broker would be calling you. So answer as you wish, man. I know a lot of people have fun talking to a lot of people that are scamming them on the phone. So buying $550 worth of AMC at the dips between today and tomorrow to the moon. I'm a rocket man, Paul. Somebody testing that? Like Nick F, are you testing that? What's going on here? Are you having anyone on today, Clay? Yes. I don't think so. Nobody's scheduled for today. So we got that. They are desperate to get the yes vote. They are very desperate to get the yes vote. Yes. Is somebody message like what's going on? Matt Perry, what number? AMC is calling. Okay. Let me see something. Let me just see something with this phone real quick, guys. I just want to... We'll go full Weeble real quick. I got to see something. Yeah, undoubtedly, that is what it is. All right, Steve Danger, yes, you figured it out. So stop messaging me because that is what it is. I guarantee it. Your camera tripping. Yes, I figured. I don't know. I might just have to completely disable messages or something during these streams. So since I use my cell phone, Steve Danger figured it out yesterday, and now he's probably gonna abuse it. If I get a message on my phone, I have no idea why it tells the software or whatever, like it has to reconnect every time I get a message. So yes, it is definitely that. If you're watching me right now, do not just send me a message in the chat. Do not send me an actual message. It will make my camera go blank. Clay, what's going on with your stream? Yeah. Christopher, we figured it out, man. If I get a text message, then it cuts the camera out. So everybody, just message me in the chat or message me on Twitter. I can go grab my tablet in a second here and check that out. Give me my wrench. He says, give me my wrench or I'm going to message you all day long. I'm scared of what? More dilution of our stock? Yes. Would we want more shares if we are trying to squeeze? I don't think we want more shares if we're trying to squeeze. It would help AMC in the long term, right? If they were able to raise more money. If we give them more shares, that equals more money for AMC. Personally, I'm of the belief that we should get the money and not AMC. They've already raised billions of dollars through equity sales. So I think it's our turn now. Turn on D&D. Oh, do not disturb. I'm like, yeah, I could do that. My current do not disturb though allows messages. It just doesn't allow, like, it allows everything. It blocks everything but messages. So I'd have to set that up afterwards. So just stop texting me right now. We'll be good. We're here to save AMC and the squeeze. I think we've already saved AMC. Now we're here for the squeeze. AMC's not going bankrupt. Brandon is emotional. Brandon, are you emotional, man? I don't know. I miss a lot of them. But I do want the squeeze as well. AMC is not going bankrupt at this point. They're good to go. They're safe. And I'm good with that. Took an L on the Yeezy Mono Cinders today. Time for AMC. Dude, what is a Yeezy Mono Cinder? Anybody know what a Yeezy Mono Cinder is? Yeah, guys, no name calling. Come on now. Nobody get emotional. We're all here. We're all bros. We're all having fun. Clay, best estimate on time of squeeze. Jim, I guarantee that it happens in the future, not in the past. That is my best estimate, man. In the future at some point. I want the squeeze and I want it now. Yeah, what were those commercials? It's my money and I want it now. Yeah, Steve Danger is a hype beast. Steve Danger, you're a hype beast, my man. But I really don't know if anybody knows what Yeezy Mono Cinders are. Anybody in the chat, please. Somebody stand up. But click and overturn my decision always. Yeah, except I don't even know how to do that. So, in the future, yes, Daniel, that is my best guess, man. In the future. Too early to be nasty, folks. Be nice and drink more coffee. Yes, drink more coffee. This is a small cup, so I'm probably going to have to go get a little bit more. Jim, it's true, though, dude. I can't tell you. I mean, I could sit here and guess all day long, man, but it'd probably be more accurate if I threw a dart at a dartboard and missed the dartboard completely. So nobody's going to know when the squeeze is going to happen. Future, dude. Future. When the hedge funds cover their shares, that's when the future happens. Overpriced shoes. That's what Yeezy Monos are or something. Oh, they're shoes. Latino says, I gotcha. Yeezy Monos. Flip the MNRS. Flip the miners for 300. The future is... Hey, I like it, Jim. I like it. The future is now, dude. If the future is now, we can be squeezing right this minute. No one knows Daniel. I don't know who Daniel is. Maybe. Alright, squeezing this juice. shoes. Yeah, Nini, I could throw a dart at a dartboard and completely miss the dartboard, and it would still be a more accurate guess than what I could tell you if I had to guess when the short squeeze when it's actually gonna happen. We've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty. Continue to try and reach me, guys, because it's difficult. FaZe, why y'all delete Brandon's messages? That's messed up. I don't know. He can still type though, right? Like, can he still type now? I don't know what's going on with that. Like, don't permanently block him or something. Do you think it is possible for them to delay the squeeze so much that a lot of paper hands get? Yes, absolutely, Marco. Mr. Ferrari, absolutely. I guarantee that they can delay it long enough that a lot of these paper hands just get tired and move on. I guarantee it. It's not easy, man. It's not going to be an easy game to take all their money. It really isn't. They don't want to give it to us, so they're going to do the best they can. All right, good deal, Matt. Good deal. Yeezys look like medieval peasant shoes. Medieval peasant shoes. I like it. Danger, you over there selling them medieval peasant shoes? Flipping them? I would hope so. I need me a pair of medieval peasant shoes. What would be more expensive? Actual medieval peasant shoes or a pair of Yeezys? I don't know. How's your morning been? FaZe, my morning's been great, man. I tried to find the chipmunk, but he wasn't hanging out with me this morning. He must be out looking for food when he knows that he can get it for free in my house. Did I just buy more AMC? Yes, I did. Very nice. Agent Jack Stone. We have already lost a bunch of Dunder Mittens. Yep, it is easy if you have diamond. Dude, it is easy. And you know what makes it a lot easier to hold too, guys? If you don't go out there, and I know that Vigilante, I know that Matt Perry is like YOLOing, dude. He's all in on AMC. And it makes it more difficult to hold at that point. If you're not YOLOing, if you stay diversified in your portfolios, if you invest what you're willing to risk, it's that much easier. I mean, there's like no concern. You just hold until it goes up. So it is. There's a lot of different strategies, man. If you can't handle the risk, Perry can handle the risk. If you can't handle the risk and you just you invest what you're willing to risk, then you're good to go. Mark's a beast. I'm going nowhere. I strongly believe in this community, but I think it would be easy if tomorrow AMC, it would be, yes, Margo. If AMC squeezes tomorrow, that would make things a lot easier. I guarantee it. Somebody rock Shaq shoes. I'm massing peons in my peasant shoes. I love it, Danger. I love it. Still holding in Germany. Mark, very nice, my man. Samantha J's laughing at me. What's for breakfast today? Nick F, good question, man. I don't even know what's for breakfast. I really don't even know. I haven't had anything, and I don't know if I'm going to be eating breakfast until about noon. Today is payroll for a lot of people, including me. I know what I'm buying today. Nini Waka says I'm going to grab some more AMC. Very nice, Nini Waka. I've secured my AMC investment by selling other stocks. It's all gains now. Yes, Matt, yes. That's the best way to do it, guys. That's the best way to do it. All gains now. All gains now. And hey, I'm not going to lie. If you did go all in, if you got in early and you went in all in, I mean, you're killing it. And you know you're killing it right now. So I don't have anything against the guys that go all in. It's just, if you're investing, it's dangerous. It is dangerous to go all in on any stock, especially a stock that's going to be as volatile as AMC. So I just, you got to know. You got to know. Steve Danger, it's dangerous. They sell Shaq shoes at Walmart if y'all looking. Hype beast. I was not looking for any Shaq shoes, but good. I can go to Walmart and grab me a pair. How many portfolios are just AMC right now? Probably quite a bit. Ferrari. Probably quite a bit. Hello, we have been retained by AMC Entertainment Holdings to reach out to you regarding your investment. The annually to the stockholder is scheduled to take place on July 29, 2021. Is this from AMC? I don't know. Matt Perry says that it probably is. You got to look out for the number there. But he says they're calling. Started investing late January. I've already traded some at gains to add more to AMC. My only bag right now is crypto. Yeah, Neo, crypto had a nice fall, but I think that I think crypto's gonna bounce. It might fall more before it bounces, but I think crypto is going to bounce and continue to go higher. Danger with the shoe game. Danger with the shoe game. Went all in right before we broke 14. 300% gain so far. But that's peanuts next to the squeeze. And dude, yeah, I think we got a lot more. We got a lot more room ahead of us. A lot more potential ahead of us. 300 is never peanuts, right? 300% gains are never peanuts. But dude, Brett, nice, man. All in at 14. Risky, man, but it's paying off, isn't it? Clay, how do you feel about BlackBerry? BlackBerry was one of my first phones, man. I had to switch from BlackBerry to Samsung, and then I've been to Samsung ever since. So, BlackBerry Pearl, I liked that boy. Latino Heat says Danger is the type of guy ordering shoes from Socks and getting finessed with fugazis. I don't know, but whatever that might be. Clay, I heard your sister enter this chat. Is it true? I don't know, sister, have you entered the chat somewhere? My BBM ain't got my BBM. Gosh, what? My BBM ain't got my BBM. I don't even know. It's late. It's late. It's early. See how early it is? We don't even know what's going on with the BBMs. Got the BBMs. Clay Sis, if you're in the chat, I recently quadrupled my money on AMC and will be willing to finance your dinner with Rocket. Yes. Oh, I love it. Hey, I think you guys all ask. Listen on this one real quick. We're losing viewers like crazy, but it's all right. Look, Rocket's not in here. I don't know if Sis is in here or not, but Brett, that is hilarious. I think post squeeze, we should either fly Rocket in or fly Sister out, and then we can make a nice, like, awkward video for YouTube for everybody that was wondering about that date, and we could film them. Nice candlelit dinner somewhere, and then see how it goes. Rocket and Sis and Rocket. We got to see how that goes post-squeeze. I mean, shoot, post-squeeze we'll have the money to fly one of them out here, one of them out there, whatever's going on, and I think that could make for a pretty good video. It's in the making. It is in the making. My baby mama ain't got my BlackBerry Messenger. I love it, Danger. I love it. Your baby mama ain't got the BlackBerry Messenger. All right, good. Now BBM ain't got that BBM. I like it. Where's Rocket from? He's not that far away. He's not that far away. No, I forget. I'd have to look. I think he told me. But I forget. He's really not that far away. Yeah, Rocket's Midwest, but I forget what state. I don't know if it was Indiana or where he was. Rocket's from Texas? Rocket lives in Texas? I thought he was closer to me. It is not a dead cat. It is definitely not a dead cat. JLC from CA760. Good morning to you, my friend. How are you doing? Oh, Jesus says AMC is a dead cat. Dude, does a dead cat look like this? Let me just ask. You ever seen a dead cat look like that before? No. Neither have I. Neither have I. It's alright. It's alright. Rocket's from El Salvador. Possibly. I'm a Texan too, though born in Ohio. Nice, Neo. Nice. Houston here. We get a lot of Texas, a lot of California, and a lot of Florida. I believe the viewers go California, Florida, Texas, New York. I don't know what state is fifth. Now, y'all. Just woke up. Should I be concerned? We nowhere near the moon. Now, y'all. Don't be concerned. We are nowhere near the moon, but the moon is far, far away, and it takes a while to get there. So keep that in mind. I thought Carolinas. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Vigilantes from the Carolinas, but nobody knows where Rocket's from right now. I'd have to go back and look. Cali in the house. You guys are up early in Cali, man. I'm telling you. I'm in Dallas, Texas. Very nice, Christopher. A lot of Texas in here. I'm telling you. I believe Texas is top 3 viewers, so I can imagine there's a lot of Texas people in here. Get a healthy breakfast in, bro. Coffee is the breakfast for the moment. I'm really never hungry when I wake up. Ooga booga ape. Yes, David. Very good. Now, you always got them diamond hands and taking that rocket all the way to the moon. Arizona. All right, Savage God. Good deal, man. I don't know where sure Arizona fits on the list, but a lot of you West Coasters, man. Why do you hang out with me so much, all you West Coast guys? Good morning from Cali. What is up, Miguel? Make some waffles. I do have a waffle maker, but I've never even used it. The rocket is just refueling. No fear here. Neo Wolf. Very good. Miami, Florida in the house. Thank you very much, Frank, for letting us know where you are from. I can't see the metrics, but I think it's California, one specific block in Chicago, then Texas for viewership. I would agree with that, Brett. I would agree with that. I think that is what we were looking at, man. It seems like you can see the metrics. All right, we get a nice little downtrend going on for AMC this morning. Let's see if we can break out of it here pretty soon. I hope we can. I hope we can. Yep. Got a nice little wedge forming here. Let's see if we can break right out of it. We will. Oh, you guys can't even see that chart anymore. Gotta move it over. Yeah, break right out to the upside, not the downside. What are you doing? Don't forget Ohio. There's actually quite a few Ohio viewers in here as well. Tennessee in the house. Lumix, very nice. Clay, I remember that you said no volume is good. What can you say about the chart? About the current chart? We're trending down, man. That's what I can say about the current chart. And 22 million shares being traded in the first half hour of the day. That's going to end up being quite a few shares traded today. So, yeah, we got a lot of volume, and we're still moving lower. Omaha, Nebraska. All right, you must be friends with our boy Buffett, huh? Discount juicy, delicious dip coming on in hot. Morning from NOLA? Natalie. Good morning. How are you? Clay, what are your thoughts on GameStop? I'm an AMC guy. GameStop could do very well as well, though. Good morning, bro. What is up, Nufo? How are you doing? I'm going to cry every time AMC drops. If it's stuck, then it's up. If it's stuck, then it's up. FaZe, don't cry, dude. Don't cry. There's no room to cry here. JD Correa, what is going on here? Here's Korean viewer AMC to the moon. Chung James, thank you very much for viewing all the way over in, I would assume, South Korea. Thank you for that. Paul Lindgren. Paul Lindgren, thank you very much for becoming a little bro. I love it, man. Now that name is green, so much easier to see. Thank you very much for that. It's all of the bros in the chat. Make sure to welcome Paul. Paul, you are awesome. Thank you very much for doing that. And I do like the green names, so it's a lot easier to see the green names. How much did they dump this morning? All of it. They dumped all of it. Houston, Texas in the house. What is going on? Every time we go down, we aim our rocket higher. Marco, that is true. What's up, Clay? You're one of the best ones. Vinny, you're the best one, man. You're the best one. Thank you for being in here. I absolutely love everybody that hangs out with us every morning, every afternoon, and watches every video. You guys are the real bros. I'll tell you that right now. Green end of day. That's what I'm going for too. Kais. Al-Galani? Oh, man, that's a difficult name. Kais Al-Galani. Green end of day. I'm on board with you, man. Green end of day. I'm in it. Yeah, Daniel says volume will likely always be high with a hedge fund selling fake shares daily to drop the price. If that's what they're doing, that would increase the volume, yes. I don't know if that's necessarily what they're doing, but that would definitely increase the volume. Nini Waka says, welcome. Thank you. Agent Jack Stone, the AMC bug is contagious and is spreading at my job trying to make some new apes. Nice, Agent Jack Stone. Make sure you let them know. ClayBro's channel. Hit that subscribe button. Super Chat Hot Dog. That is not a Super Chat Hot Dog, Steve Danger. You want to Super Chat a hot dog? I will eat a fake hot dog for you, man. But that is a emoji hot dog. I know the difference. Now, y'all, all my fellow apes. Love all my fellow apes. Rocket to the moon all the way to Pluto. Let's go, baby. Welcome, Paul. Yes, welcome, Paul, as well. Nini Waka definitely welcoming all of the bros. Tamara, good morning. I have to say, I really liked the video you put out yesterday. Great content and a video a lot of people needed to hear. Tamara, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I was actually, like, after I posted that, I was a little worried that people were going to be like, oh my gosh, this isn't going to be easy. ClayBro is saying this isn't going to be easy again. Oh no. But it seems like a lot of people enjoyed it. I don't know. Hopefully you did. If you watched it, hopefully you enjoyed it. But you guys, man, some of these people that watch AMC videos they just think that the hedge funds are going to hand us hundreds of billions of dollars for nothing. And guys, different story, man. We just want to get running, start to bust through 63. I would love to bust through 63. You already know I shouted you out, Clay. Yes, Agent Jack Stone, that is what I'm talking about. Thank you very much for that shout out. Yes. Did anybody subscribe? I'll shout them out if they subscribed. If you got me on speaker right now, I'll shout you out in front of everybody at work. Trust me, I will. I'll shout you. Literally, like, shout you out. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Yashashu. Yashahu. Actually, yesterday's video was on point. That's something that we need to hear. JD Korea, yes, we ate, and then we needed to hear that. It was a little bit after dinner time, I would agree. So, yeah, dude, we ate, and then we needed to hear that. I think it is. I don't know. I'm not going to post a video that I don't think you guys need to hear. I'm not going to not post a video because I think it's something you don't want to hear. But it is something, guys. It is something. And we can win this thing. Don't think that we can't. And here's another video that I'm thinking about posting, like kind of like a follow-up to last night's video. You know, I said in the video that, yeah, institutions are holding 100 million shares. They're shorting 100 million shares. But not all institutions are perfectly hedged. And I will tell you right now, if you think that the hedge funds want to beat us, the hedge funds absolutely want to beat other hedge funds. So I know that some of them might be buddies. Some of them might be willing to go back and forth so that they stay alive because they're owned by each other. But dude, when you get two competing hedge funds, when you get a guy saying, okay, if Ken Griffin's out of the picture, I can get all of his clients to invest in my hedge fund. I can bring another $300 billion into my hedge fund. Then, yeah, he's absolutely going to be willing to do whatever it takes to get that hedge fund out of business, to do whatever it takes to hold the stock and watch AMC go to the moon because he's not shorting as heavily as Citadel is, and he's going to make the money that Citadel loses. So, yeah, it's a cruel world out there, and they're going to be willing to fight the fight just to watch one of the hedge funds fail so that they move further up the ladder. I mean, that's the nature of the business. David doesn't like Ohio, man. Why don't you like Ohio, David? Come on. It's a good place. The more the hedge funds FUD, the more it indicates they're scared. We are winning. Daniel, absolutely. Absolutely. It's a strategy, man, and they use it. Black Widow will draw the crowds too. Marvel fans are fanatical about opening night. Yes. Fast and Furious is going to be a good one. Black Widow is going to be a good one. And, you know, all right, I'm on board with increasing revenue for AMC, but we're so far off the price right now that I don't think it's going to help that much. It's just going to make people a little less likely to short this stock. John Smith, 135 by July. Let's go. Will AMC go to $80 per share in the next month? John Smith, I hope it does, man. I hope it does. Sure does. Don't come. Agent Jack says it does. Don't come. Green candles, baby. David really likes those green candles. I'll tell you that right now. Ken, Citadel Kingdom is falling down. It is. Hey, man, you take some risks, you risk failure. I mean, a lot of people are buying AMC. It's a risk. They're winning. But on the other end, somebody's losing. So, yeah, it's failing, and it's gonna be bad for them. Do you think it's possible that they lied to us when they told us apes own 80% of the float? I mean, Marco, I don't see why they would do that. I don't see why they would do that. So I don't think that they lied to us when they said that, because I don't think that it would benefit anybody to say that. Just roll my Doge profits from 3 days ago. Nice, Matt, nice. Did you get in at like 16 or 17, or where'd you get in a couple days ago when it was falling? Sorry for my bad English. I'm from Italy, waiting to get rich. Grazie, Marco, grazie. That's all I know in Italian. man. I also know prego. Prego. Grazie and prego. Glad to have you in here, Marco. Your English is good, man. I'm telling you, it's better than my Italian. Yes, your English is better than my Italian. The beard is sexy after hours AF. I don't know. 2 days, 400 plus in 3 days. Not bad, Matt. Very nice, man. Might have been 2 days though. Might have been 2 days, because I think crypto fell 2 days ago. Then it rebounded to 20 yesterday and to 24 right now or something. Or Doge at least. Oh, ciao. Yes, grazie, prego, ciao. How's my Italian accent? Grazie, prego, ciao. That was close, Clay. It was, man. It was close. Any worries about Adam Aaron being in a SPAC with Citadel? No, no worries about that, JD. I think that's after us. I think it was. Talking in Italian, Clay. Luigi. You speak Italian too, Luigi? Are you from Italy? Daniel. Oh, thank you, Daniel. I thought it was after hours, man. I thought it was after hours. Beard is all fresh. The beard is always fresh after hours, guys. Yes. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. AMC holding strong. Marvin is holding very strong. I'm Italian. Nice, Luigi. Nice. I don't know much Italian, guys. I really don't. So, grazie, prego. Ciao. Hey, my fellow apes, if you guys need a dream home in Southern California after the squeeze, hit me up. I'm a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway. Hit that dude up if you need a dream home in Southern. Let me ask you this now, y'all. Let me ask you this, man. Since you're asking us if we want to buy homes in Southern California, can we afford them? Can we afford? Southern California is insane, man. Would you actually recommend buying a home in Southern California? We're all bros here, so just let us know, because if you're going to throw it out there and you want to be a good real estate agent, can you, in good faith, and sleep at night, knowing you sold me a $30,000 house for $4.3 million? Let me know. What am I buying? What am I buying? The sunshine? Or what is it there? Please. I need it. I'm okay with people emailing you if they want to buy a home in Southern California. I just want to know if you can sleep at night knowing that you charged me like $3.2 million for a $30,000 house. There's another JD in here. Yes, there is JD Correa popping green finally. Oh yeah, out of that trend to the upside, just like we wanted. Luigi from Italy. Nice. That is very nice. Sydney Mick is my realtor. Sydney was hanging out in your live last night, right? Vigilante, UPS driver. I just throw the headphones on while delivering and listening to you all the way to the moon. D. Oh, man, I'm sorry if I don't pronounce it right. DSYSA. Thank you very much for having the headphones in and listening. Dude, don't type and drive. I don't recommend that to anybody, but it's very glad to have you in here. And hopefully you're having a good day, man. I don't know, probably pretty hard delivering packages all day, but hopefully you're having a good day, making some good money on AMC. Can the hedgies be making the market green for a distraction? I don't know if they would do that, Jax. I don't know if they would lose money on purpose to distract us. Samantha J says, you're so right. Maybe. Maybe. Now, y'all. Yes, you can after the squeeze. Yes, you are buying the sunshine. I knew it. I knew it. So after the squeeze, we can afford it, and I knew we were buying more than the house. It had to be the sunshine, so thank you very much. As long as you can sleep at night, man, you are good to go. Southern Cal, all cash basis. Others need not apply. Now, Redondo Beach, not selling. Yes, all cash basis. Let's go. Nini Waka says, I bought 5K in Doge at 4 cents. Sold it when it hit 65. Oh. Guys, throw out those class. Give Nini some applause there. Got in at 4 cents, got out at 65 cents. Amazing, Nini. Amazing. Oh my goodness. Yes, throw out the applause, guys. Nini deserves that one. I mean, that is almost like perfect trade. I don't know. There were a lot of people that got into Doge before 4 cents, but if you got in after all the hype, that was 4 cents was the mark that you needed to get in at. 72 cents being the high, and she gets out at 65. That is a near perfect trade. Nini, congratulations to you. That is incredible. How does it work, the dark pool? Luigi, please, Clay, explain to us how does it work with the dark pools? Dark pools are essentially another exchange, man. You got a public exchange, you got a private exchange. If hedge funds and institutions want to go in and trade with each other, they don't want to sell it on the open market, they can just go to the dark pool. Say I'm a hedge fund, you're a hedge fund. I sell you shares, you sell me shares. That's dark pool. Instead of the trades being transmitted and publicized before they happen, they get publicized after they happen. And it's very quick afterwards. They are regulated. It's not like they're unregulated. The name sounds scary. It does. But it's basically a private exchange where you and I can go trade our shares and then we report them. California is a money pit and will drain. California is expensive, man. I will agree with that. It's a beautiful place. I've been to California and the scenery is beautiful. Mountains and beaches all in the same day. I mean, it's nice, but it is very expensive. You're paying for the view. But, you know, I can look outside in my backyard. I still think it's a nice view. Ohio is sunny. Sure. Might not be as nice as California, but it is a beautiful place. And, man, I got money to spend. So, also left New York for South Carolina. South Carolina is nice, too, man. South Carolina is nice, too. Spent a lot of time in Myrtle Beach. I went to San Fran, loved it, and yes, PCH was absolutely beautiful. PCH. Help me on PCH, Marvin. Nice house for $100,000. Mad True leaving New York to move to those states. Yeah, nice house for $100,000. Absolutely. Thank you. Yes, Nini Waka. Congratulations to you. It's truly, that's a great trade. That was a great move. You did good. I think, and guys, I do think that Doge can go back up. I don't think that this is the end for Doge or anything like that. But Nini killed that one. Myrtle Beach was pretty fun. Yeah, I would agree with that. Agent, I had a lot of fun there. Still can't believe I had 314,000 Doge at 5 cents, and I pulled out thinking I wasn't gonna go up anymore. Oh, Luca, that's got to be rough, dude. See, that's the difference. That's the difference. Some people held, some people sold, and you can't beat yourself up, though, man. It is a terrible thing to think that happened, but you can't beat yourself up for it, and you gotta move on, man. There's always another trade out there. There's always another opportunity. Don't get too distracted by your failures. I'm sure you still made some money on it, so you did good. Pacific Coast Highway, gotcha. Thank you very much, Marvin. I did not know that. I wasn't going to get that. Drive Pacific Coast Highway, you're welcome. Yeah, see, I didn't even know that. Thank you, guys. When's GameStop move? It's the end of the month, isn't it? I forget the date. I looked up the date discussion a couple weeks ago. Now I forget the date already. Orange County, New York, you don't know the future. Exactly, man. Nobody can know the future. And that's the hard part. That's the hard part. You win some, you lose some, and it's all right. Because there will always be another opportunity. You know, unless you move to Venezuela or something. Any gains are better than any losses. Neo Wolf, 100 on that one, man. 100. I'm trying to see if I missed any other comments up there. Amanda says Pacific Coast Highway as well. Thank you very much, Amanda, for clearing that up. I appreciate it. Any gains better than no? Yes. When in doubt, zoom out. Having patience is key. Look at the bigger picture. Yeah. When in doubt, you guys want to zoom out? Look at this. Look at AMC. This is a daily chart. This is a daily chart right here. Incredible. Incredible. Oh, we'll go back to the minute chart. We'll go back to the intraday. People be like, oh, wow, that's a nice chart you got there. 3.4 earthquake yesterday in southern Los Angeles. Still holding. Nice, blackjack dealer. Nice. Earthquakes are scary. I've never been through an earthquake, but I don't know. Losing equals lessons in the game. Agent Jack Stone, it does. It is a lesson learned, and you move on from it. I heard there's people who pump your gas in Jersey. I don't even think you're allowed to pump your own gas in Jersey. I'm not sure. I don't even know if you're allowed to. I know a couple guys that live in Jersey, and I really don't know if you're allowed to pump your own gas in Jersey. Where's the chipbro emoji? Blackjack dealer. That's a good one. We need a chipbro emoji. I'll get on that one. When I started my investment on the stock market, when I'm up 50, I was so happy. Hey, woo, right? When you're up anything, you're happy. We got the chipmunk for now. Thank you very much, Amanda, for throwing out the little chippy. I'm in New Jersey. You can't pump your gas. Yeah, Nini, I didn't think you could. I didn't think you could pump your own gas in Jersey. I don't know why, but I didn't think you could. There it is. There it is. It's against the law to do it yourself. Oh, there it is. Yeah, which is weird. I don't know why. Dashira. I don't know why about that, but all right. Date the GameStop gets moved to the Russell 1000, then portfolio manager will mirror Russell 2000, will sell GameStop and load up on AMC. Please check the date. AMC will pump on that date. Discreet, man. Possibly, but that could just be another hype speculation, and we got to move on from there. No, you cannot pump your own gas in Jersey. Very strange, guys. I get anxious when I have to drive out of state because I don't know how to... Nini, I will tell you this right now, okay? If 15-and-a-half-year-olds with their temps can get out of a car and pump the gas, or 16-year-old kids can get out and pump their own gas, you, my friend, can pump your own gas. Good morning, ClayBro gang. What is going on? Cookie, here's hoping we continue to see a good AMC Thursday. Yes, we are hoping for a great AMC Thursday today. Cookie, glad to have you in here. Clay, or anyone in Fire, Light, Torch, Thoughts, Spinning since 2? No, I'm not in Torch right now. Anybody else, if you're in Torch and want to share your thoughts, absolutely go for it. Breaking news, Warren Buffett resigns from Gates Foundation while announcing U.S. $4.1 billion donation. I don't know. They were saying that yesterday, man. I don't know if that's necessarily breaking, but yes, they were saying that yesterday. I was in New Jersey and someone ran out of gas. They had a gas can but didn't know how to fill it. Oh my gosh. Nick, are you oh. Well, the things we take for granted, guys. Nini, I find it incredible that you are concerned about pumping your own gas, but you can ride Doge from 4 cents to 65 cents and get out. I don't know what this world is coming to, but the fact that you took Doge from 4 to 65 and you don't know how to pump your own gas, or you get anxious pumping your own gas, is incredible to me. Incredible. I'm over that. Just here for the gang. Nice, Cookie. Glad to have you in here. Yes. Oh, Cookie's over a wrench. Oh, no. Cookie, don't get over your wrench. You'll get one. Don't worry. What are your thoughts on CLNE? I have 0 thoughts on CLNE, Zach. I'm telling you right now, 0. Oh, Cookie got a good heart. Cookie does have a good heart. The truth. Yes. I don't know how. Oh, my gosh. Well, I am glad that you're making money on crypto and AMC and whatever else you have in your portfolio. Because I would have guessed somebody who doesn't know how to pump their gas would have a very hard time investing. Hello, London from Florida. We got London in the house already? We got London in the house, maybe? Or is there an actual person named London in here? What's up, ClayBro? What is up, Martin? How are you doing? Let's see some green action. Let's get it, Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Glad you didn't let those jerks get to you yesterday. I didn't even see him, guys. I didn't even see who was messing with Cookie. But yeah, don't mess with my Cookie, please. We need to pump to 62 and find support there. Yeah, if we get above 62, 62 is going to be a nice level of support. It's seeming to be pretty difficult to break through, so if we do break through 62, it's going to look very nice for us as a level of support, for sure. Yes, London in the house. Very nice. Hawaii in the house, too. Man, it is early in Hawaii. Wow. I'm not even joking, Nini. I would have figured you would have had a guy that doesn't know how to pump gas. I probably shouldn't be risking his money, right? Good morning, Clay. Good morning, Caesar. Notice streams have been in the AM, but I've been busy at work. Is this a new thing for you from now on? Caesar, we're definitely trying it out this week. The morning streams seem to be a lot slower than the afternoon streams. And, you know, I'm going to try it out for a while. Mornings like 9 to noon, 9:30 to 12:30, whatever. Break for lunch for a little while. Give everybody a little bit of a break. Go out, do whatever you got to do. Gives me time to eat something, you know, gain some energy, whatever. Come back and go hot into after hours. So, yeah, I'm going to be trying it out for a little while. See how it goes. And see if we can get any new people in here watching the stream, learning about AMC and going on. I know we get some high competition during market hours, though. So I know that might be why it's a little bit slower in the mornings. But, yeah. Just keep a lookout. 9:30, 9 o'clock at the open. Clay, you believe in the mother of all short squeezes, or do you think we can see a lot gamma squeeze? Luigi, I think that this could really be the mother of all short squeezes if we do what we say we're going to do, right? If everybody holds, if everybody's willing to take this stock to the moon, to Pluto, wherever you want to take it, I believe we got what it takes. So, you know, there's that, but We could see some gamma squeezes along the way as well. You know, there's nothing to say that we can't see those on the way up, but I believe that this has some serious potential. Need to hold at 62. Absolutely, guys. Stop selling at 62. Please. Yeah, Amanda. I didn't see what was going on. I do feel bad about that, but, you know, glad we hit some mod step up. Yes, Jiu-Jitsu boy. Yes. And thank you, Zach, for answering Jiu-Jitsu boy. Appreciate that. ChipBro merch. Maybe coming soon. Sister, are you still in the chat? I don't know. We need some ChipBro merch coming up. Only time can tell. Luca, that is correct, man. Only time will tell. Nobody can tell the future, but the future knows the future. All of you AMC holders out there, we love you. Ape Strong, Marvin, absolutely. And Neo Wolf has those diamond hands. I love it, Neo Wolf. Very good, my friend. Man, anybody? Hey, does anybody else have a channel? Like, does anybody else have a YouTube channel besides Vigilante? Anybody else talk about AMC or anything? And look, if you are and I don't mind this either. You know, if you're a regular and you still haven't become a member of the channel, all right, that's fine. I'm cool with that. But, you know, if you're a member, if you got that green name out there and you want to throw a Twitter, make sure people follow you on Twitter, I'm all cool with that. Guys, we're building a community here, right? This isn't just you watching me. We're all in this together. So if you want to, you know, if you get some followers on Twitter or whatever, you're promoting AMC, you're doing your job out there, I really don't have a problem with that, guys. If you want to follow everybody else in the chat and build up the community, I think it's a great thing. Only have 40 shares, but excited to make some profit. Peace, love, and dogs. Perfect, man. I believe you're probably already making a lot of a good profit. Text me when you need a mod to come handle the fools. Yeah, Nick. Somebody was messing with Cookie yesterday. I didn't see it. I was reading some other stuff or something, but I think Vigilante handled it. No, like, guys, just don't, especially, like, to the girls. I know that Fruit Bowl or whatever it is likes to mess with Agent Jack about his hair or something. Like, okay, if you want to mess with people, I understand that people troll on the internet. But, like, dude, you know, don't mess with the girls in here, please. Fruit Bowl, yeah, there he is. Clay, hopefully Agent Jack don't show some hair after the squeezes. That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know. People like to come on here and mess with other people. If it's in good fun and you're not being terribly rude or you're not being, you know, gross, then all right. Have some fun. Nobody really cares at the end of the day. Oh, mic sounds muted? Does it sound muted? It's the same thing. We'll go back down here because it's the same audio input capture. I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah, guys, just all be good. All be good. Bought at 14. Peace, love, and dogs. Very nice. Just working my 12-hour shift and listening to some daily Clay. Christopher, man, you got a long shift, my friend. A long one. Clay, see my hair? That's good enough for me. Yes, Agent Jack Stone. You are good, man. You're good. And look, man, you know, Fruit Bowl, he can move on to somebody else if Jack Stone can't handle it, but Jack Stone's the man, so he's all good there. ClayBro, have a silver channel. We need to get a silver channel, Jax. We need to pump some silver, too. Clay, the live from yesterday was the cutest thing ever. Hey, I think we could do, the chipmunk's not around this morning. I don't know, he must be still sleeping or out looking for actual food. But we got the chipmunk cam. I don't think it's on. Yeah, see, it's not on right now. I'd have to link it back up, but we do have the chipmunk cam, guys. Afternoon sessions, come back for the chipmunk if you want to get some chipmunk action. I'm glad you thought it was cute, Cookie. I'm glad. The chipmunk is awesome. He really is. Your volume on the other scene is louder than the other scene. Let me see that. Got that there. Guys, it looks like it's the exact same thing. Negative 7.2 decibels. And what is this one here? It's like the exact same position. I don't know why it would be louder as opposed to not being there. Is it really that much of a difference? Let me know, because it's like the settings look exactly the same right now. I can it's different but still clear. Interesting. They're set at the exact same levels. And as long as you can still hear me, I guess it's good. It's just weird that it moves out like that because they are the exact same levels. Cool! about the AM stream. Got to go for now. Have a good one. All work calls. Caesar, have a great day at work, man. Glad to have you in here. Come back for the after hours if you can. The kid named the chipmunk in our yard, Dino Stripey. Nice, Nick. Nice. Dino Stripey, man. Bring the chipmunk over here to play with ChipBro. Look up the Mastercaster here on YouTube if you're interested. Interesting older works, not the fishing channel. The YouTube Arts Tracks one. Gotcha, Neo. Well, very cool. I would say a 5% difference. Alright, that's not much of a difference then. Chipmunk Cam accepting tokens any day now. Privates. The Chipmunk Cam will be accepting tokens and full Chipmunk. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah. Yo, what happened to the margin call rule that was supposed to take place on Wednesday? Ty, however you say your name. Ask somebody that said it was going to cause a margin call, man. It's 002 is in effect, but ask somebody that was telling you it was going to cause margin calls. I knew it wasn't going to cause a margin call and cause the stock to rocket, but a lot of people said that it was going to. What do I think of work? I don't think of anything about workhorse, Matthew. The mug also needs a chipmunk, maybe on the handle. Very interesting, Meanie. Very interesting. We need to get a chipmunk on the mug handle. The long-awaited ClayBro mug. Yeah, we need one of those. Because they introduced over 45 million shares in the past 4 months, and we are up over 400%. I don't understand your logic. My logic? My logic or somebody else's logic? I don't know. Missed that one. What do you think? Don't hold on for dates. Yeah, guys, don't hold on for dates. We're here for the short squeeze. We're here for the long haul. We haven't seen ChipBro in weeks. Let's all give a warm welcome, a warm bro welcome to Snake Bro, who turned up around the same time. Dude, there actually is a snake, and he's not a bro. All right, there is a snake that was chilling out there, and I can tweet a picture of him to prove it. But dude, no, Snake Bro did show up like 3 or 4 days ago. I didn't like him. I did not like him. 99% utilization on Matthew. Talking 99% utilization on Ortex for workhorse. All right, it could be good, man. It could be good if you're into workhorse. I'm not into workhorse. I don't really know too much about it, but if you guys want to get in it, something to check out. I don't have a problem with people diversifying. The last sell-off ruined the gamma squeeze. I don't know if it ruined the gamma squeeze, but it definitely didn't allow it to continue to squeeze higher, right? Alright, cool. We can get rid of this downward trend right here. And now we're hitting some higher lows and higher highs. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we've got here. Let's follow this trend all the way to the moon, please. Oh no. Alright, we got ourselves a little wedgie forming there. Let's see if we can continue on with it. And move this over slightly so you can continue to see. Don't break out to the downside. What are you doing there, you little red line? Higher highs and higher lows. I love it. We're trading the high 50s. Absolutely. We have not saved them completely. They aren't out of debt, but they will be. Yeah, dude, I don't think that we need to save AMC, though. I think AMC can save AMC at this point. They can continue to increase their revenue. They're doing good. Pandemic is on its way out. We're all looking good here. Clay, what are you really drinking, bro? Can you tell? Oh, gosh, it's gonna... I want to pour it out now. Coffee, man. We got coffee in the cup. I'm just sitting there. I'm going to pour it all over my chair. Oh, man. Sliding in with the snake. Yeah, we don't need no snakes in my backyard. Get out of there. The backyard's for chipmunks. Blackjack dealer throwing the astronaut bro out there. Yes, I love those custom emojis, guys. I love those custom emojis. Group over 25,000 people in with a collective over 500,000 shares, all voting yes. Very nice, Perry. Very nice. I up to fat finger waggling. Fat finger waggling. Hey, anybody subscribe to the channel? The Philippines for us. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. Guys, if you want your name up at the top of the screen, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and your name will show up there. The Philippines for us subscribed 28 minutes ago, so their name has been on the top of the screen for 28 minutes. Do not forget to click the subscribe button. They were a $2 stock during the pandemic. They used to trade at 30. Use the info that is out there. Yeah, but the trading at 30 pre-pandemic is a lot different than trading at 30 post-pandemic. Because pre-pandemic, there were 50 million shares. Post-pandemic, there's 500 million shares. So they would have been trading at 300 pre-pandemic if they had the same amount. Well, technically, no. If you're looking at it the same way, if they're trading at 30 now, it'd be like trading at 300 pre-pandemic. If they're trading at 30 pre-pandemic, it's like they're trading at 3 now. What's up, ClayBro? What is up, Nasty? Man, I haven't seen you in a while, Nasty. Where you been? Glad to have you in here. I'm holding XXXX shares and waiting for the squeeze hard. I was hoping to squeeze this week. I guess we won't have margin call until the upcoming shareholder meeting. Don't they have to share recount? Don't, Ty, I wouldn't place your bets on a shareholder recount doing anything at the upcoming shareholder meeting or anything like that. The thing that's going to cause a margin call is really the fact that the hedge funds can no longer afford the risk that they're putting themselves into. So that's like the main thing that you need to be on, and I wouldn't really worry too much about trying to predict when it's going to happen. Oh, dude, 10 years is quite a long time, but no, man, I'm in it. I'm in to wait. I'm definitely in it to wait. It's kids be scared. Yeah, nah, don't be scared, guys. It's all good. We can wait around here for a while and make it. I'll gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today. Me too, Blackjack Dealer. Me too. Oh, you guys are making me hungry already in the morning. I feel like if I get on here and stream early in the morning, I get hungrier than if I wasn't going to be streaming. I don't know what it is with that. I don't know why that is. Somebody explain that to me, please. I'm hungry too, man. I think we're all hungry for some reason. Oh, man. Y'all just made me... I know, everybody's getting hungry now. I'm talking about hamburgers in the morning. Like... I don't know if we should have hamburgers for breakfast, but I'm wanting some hamburgers too. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. We got some decent support coming in here too, so let's just move that right there. That's a decent level of support, so we can break that. We're good. And then, of course, we have to move the graph a little bit because it just looks a little different here. Alright. I'm getting another cookout tray with some quesadillas again. Yes, I got a quesadilla yesterday. Nice. I ate a quesadilla yesterday as well. Seems like the hedges are shorting the stock to bring the price down and making money on options. Rinse and repeat. This sucks. Still. Mansoor. Hedge funds, yes, they will rinse and repeat their money all day long, dude. I'm telling you. They'll do whatever it takes to make money. And they're good at it. They are good at making money. That is their job. So, yeah, they will do it, and if they want to bring the price down to make some money on some put options, that's exactly what they're going to be doing. Do they have to buy back the naked shorts? Tobias, yeah. If they have naked shorts out there and the SEC knows about them, a lot of people are speculating that they've got hundreds of millions or billions of naked shorts. I don't think that's the case, but yes, if they have naked shorts out there, then they need to buy those back as well. If they have naked shorts that nobody knows about and they don't really exist, then no, they're not going to cover those because they don't exist. But if we're already holding this long, why are some of you guys folding so soon? Shame on you for backing out. Y'all weak. Y'all have no unity. Y'all don't deserve to be a part of this movement. Ty, I think there's a lot of newcomers that are jumping in around $40, $50, and they're just a little nervous right now. I think that as time goes on, maybe you were nervous if you got back in at $8 and it was bouncing around $8 for so long. Maybe you were nervous a little bit as well, and I think that they're going to get over those nerves and that they're going to be able to calm down, and they will be in with us along the way as well. We're climbing to the moon. We are climbing to the moon, guys, but the squeeze will happen in 2021. That is what we are hoping for, man, for sure. For sure. After the squeeze, cookout, anyone? I'll perform some music. Neil Wolf, yes, we can have a nice big cookout. We can buy a nice huge grill up some huge, whatever you guys want for the cookout. Just food for days, and then we can all have a nice cookout. You are making me hungry now. Boom Boom Sticks coming in. Call them chipmunk tails. These boom boom sticks are chipmunk tails over here. Nice green chipmunk tails. Oh, yeah. Jiu-Jitsu boy says be strong and hold. Yes, be strong and hold. That is the plan. It's an easy plan, guys. It really is an easy plan. Let me, I'm going to go grab my tablet really quick. I want to see if we're ranking anywhere or if everybody in here is already subscribed. Because if the last subscriber is 33 minutes ago, I feel like a lot of people aren't new and you're just hanging out. And that's what we're like. Oh, Maze Boogie subscribed. The Wiz King and Jason Bowell subscribed. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. Whose name we got up top right now? Maze Boogie. Thank you very much. But all three of you guys, thank you very much for clicking that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Let me go grab my tablet. Give me 1 second. Hopefully it's got battery. And, yeah, we got like 50% battery. Alright, cool. Carne Asada Cookout, JD Correa. I love the food talk in the chat because I am hungry. Ah, you got bro. The Wiz King. You got bro. I subscribed 2 or 3 months ago. Marvin, thank you for subscribing 2 or 3 months ago, man. I appreciate that. 2 or 3 months ago, dude. How many subscribers did I have when you clicked that subscribe button? 6,000? 7,000? What was I at 2 or 3 months ago? I don't even know. What's going on, Diffy Dog? How are you? Rudy says, Ooga Booga, apes. Don't get scared with the Ooga Booga. Can't we all vote for AMC owner to sue some of the hedgies for manipulating the stock? Tobias. No. I don't think that AMC would have any cause for action there. So the SEC would have to get involved and like the CEO or somebody suing on behalf of AMC. I don't think that would work out. I think sick. Nice, Marvin. Nice. That was a while ago. I swear I only wake up to these chart talks. And of course, my handsome chipmunk. And my delicious cookie is in the chat. Thank you very much for being in here. I do believe Adam Aaron AMC is working with the SEC giving information voluntarily. Well, yeah, AMC probably is. But the thing is, though, AMC is not going to know how many naked shorts are out there or anything like that. So I don't see how that would benefit anything. The SEC and the brokers would, but I don't think that AMC would. AMC is only going to know the shareholders on record. Hey, bro, what's your price target for the squeeze? 1K? I would love to see 1,000. I would. I hope it goes higher, but I would love to see 1,000. ClayBro, thoughts on New York Angelo? Dude's a little hard to understand, but he's doing work, man. He's doing work. I feel like you gotta know, like you have to watch a lot of his videos, because if you don't watch every single one of his videos, you kind of like you gotta pay attention. He's like the professor you had in college that was a little hard to understand, and you really gotta listen if you wanna know. Had a girl cookie, guys, quesadilla. I swear I must say quesadilla wrong or something. I don't know. Cecil, welcome to the bros. Cecil with the green name now. Thank you very much, Cecil. Everybody throw out the shout out for Cecil. I don't know how to say the last name, man. I'm very sorry. I cannot pronounce that last name. But guys, throw out the name Cecil in there in the chat. Give him a shout out. Thank you very much for subscribing and becoming a bro. I appreciate that. I love the green name now. Absolutely. Absolutely. How about another outdoor live and barbecue tomorrow? Newfo, I could try like a mini live or something tomorrow outside, but I honestly don't think that the Wi-Fi would be good enough for like to handle an outside stream. I don't know if the Wi-Fi would be good enough out there. But I could either do a mobile live like I do when Streamlabs isn't working or something, just to see if it works, but I don't think that it would be able to be like a several hour long event. If it doesn't go over to 10,000 minimum, he's going to be mad if it doesn't go over 10,000. Been holding since January, and I know that there are going to be paper hands, but don't play with these diamond hands. Money, paper hands have no place. Christopher, 10,000 is not going to be easy, dude, but it is definitely possible if everybody does exactly like you say right there, and they don't give up early. Are you related to Travis? Gosh, I don't even know how to say that name. Nick, how do you say that name? Cecil becomes a bro, and I don't even see him in the chat. Cecil, what's up, man? Glad to have you in here. Absolutely. Saw Charlie's video from Zip Trader last night. Great hype video. Alika, very nice. What about my video last night? Did you see that? Aloha, my brother. Been sharing you about my customers. Mahalo. Aloha, Naomi. Aloha. Mahalo. Did I say that right? I don't know if I said that right, but hey, if that's the case, thank you. Anybody who shares any of these things, let me know. Him like Sinister. Sinister writes subscribe to ClayBro on the back of his work van and honk if you own AMC. If you guys want to do something like that and shout me out on Twitter, tag me in pictures like that on Twitter, or if you're telling your family, you're telling your friends about it. Hey, these sticker packs, they're really not that expensive, and I think that's a great way to be able to thank people for telling people to subscribe to the channel, for getting the name out there. And we know we're pumping AMC here, right? But we also have a YouTube channel. But, you can get the original bro sticker. You can get some bro apes. Maybe some bro chipmunks coming soon. We don't know. And then this one. Dude, just go slap this one, like, in the most public place possible. I don't care if it's on the side of a road, like on the side of a stop sign or road sign. It's not vandalism. They can peel it right off. Front of a store entrance, whatever you gotta do, you gotta do it. But yeah, if you're telling your customers, if you got a ClayBro sign or something up in your shop, whatever you got going, like Vigilante, man, we're probably up on Vigilante's TV right now, and that's awesome. We gotta hook Vigilante up. Blackjack Dealer, thank you for the super chat, my man. What is going on, ClayBro? Philosophical question and answer. Will you continue the channel post squeeze and do other stock chat and comment like Zip Trader or meet ClayBro? Yes. Blackjack Dealer. Good question. We will absolutely, I don't think, and it's a good question. Why is it a good question, man? Because if everybody's like super rich post-squeeze, you can do whatever you want. But I'll be 100% honest with you guys. I have so much fun hanging out with all of you. I have so much fun doing this that it's like, what are my options going to be? Yeah, and I do have fun hanging out with the chipmunk in the backyard feeding him. I can't lie to you guys about that one. I do find that fun. I find it just awesome when he jumps up in my hand and eats some sunflower seeds. But, like, that's my options, man. I'm going to go hang out with the chipmunk outside, or I'm going to hang out with you guys in here making more money on whatever the next big thing is or whatever. So, yes, we will definitely continue post-squeeze. Meet Kevin is an awesome dude. We could have, like, a Meet ClayBro. Zip Trader. He's actually a local Ohio boy as well, and dude knows his stuff. So both good guys, and I think that we've got a bright future ahead of us here, hanging out, having a lot of fun. So definitely Blackjack Dealer. We will continue to be here. You're the best we've seen so far. Yes, sir. Bless. Naomi, thank you very much. I appreciate that. You are awesome. Frankie, but I'm sure they've colluded many times, probably. Oh, how is it not conflict of interest for Citadel Hedge Fund and Citadel Securities Market Maker to exist? King Griffin found both. I know they're desperate. Yes, dude, it probably is. And conflict of interest, people like to throw that word out there, but as long as they're making money, they don't care, right? And if they can pay off the right people, they'll pay them off. Morning, when's the squeeze, Sydney? Soon. Squeeze is soon. If you can't hold the line, then go play and day trade crypto or something. Yeah, or day trade options. I don't care if you guys play with options. You guys are polluting the rest of the team. Yeah, don't pollute us, guys. King ClayBro, what is up? David. It's just ClayBro, man. No King ClayBro. We're all good. We got Rocket in the chat. We got Rocket in the chat. I don't know. I don't see Rocket in the chat anywhere, but Matt Perry says, Rocket! Sydney. Cookie's like, Sydney? What is going on with Sydney? Can we squeeze with low volume, Tobias? Yes, absolutely. Clay, what do you think about this? How about we do a sticker giveaway every $5 we go up, starting at 60, 65, so on and so forth. Now, dude, we could do something like that. I don't know, possibly, but then what happens when it comes back down? We do it again when it goes back up? I don't know. Frankie, I just squeezed my stress balls. Does that count? Frankie, that does help. It does help when you squeeze things like that. We need new buyers, or this isn't going anywhere. People are going to be bored because of their short attention span. People do have very short attention spans, man. They're selling. That's why our views went down. It's probably, Doc, I would agree with that, man. We will squeeze with low volume. Absolutely, Matt Perry. Use the stickers to buy more AMC. Good advice, King Jesus. Thank you. Good advice. Like under $1 million. Yes, absolutely, Matt Perry. I was like, under $1 million what? Volume. Yes. I just want to hear Rocket too. Where is the Rocket, man? We need Rocket. Hey, ClayBro. Hope you're having a good. Hope everyone is having a good morning. Janet. I hope you're having a good morning, Janet. Glad to have you in here. Thank you very much for coming in and clicking that like button. I do appreciate that. Yes, very low volume. I agree. Ty, yes. Glizzy in the house. It won't go down if you do the sticker giveaway. Eric, you might be onto something, man. If we do the sticker giveaway, it might not go down. Hey, bro, or fellow apes, dumb question. How can we squeeze if we continue to consolidate and never reach new resistance levels? Nufo, we can squeeze if we generate risk for the hedge funds. Yes. Consolidation is good, though, right? Consolidation can mean a couple of things. If, let's say, we consolidate around $55 per share and trade sideways, and then all of the shares, all of these FOMO buyers that jumped in from 20 to 50 or whatever, they're out of the game now. We ate up their shares. Excellent. Whatever the case is, we're not selling the shares, and we've consolidated them out. Now, we can just lower the volume, hold our shares. We don't have to sell our shares like they're doing, and then that generates risk for the hedge funds because less and less and less and less shares become available to cover their shorts. So we can absolutely do it on consolidation and absolutely do it on low volume. I know you only cover AMC, but Microvision and AMC trading identically. Lex Luthor, man, I keep informed on the other stocks. All right, I do, but I mean the main focus is AMC. New to the channel, Ape Strong, Jason Powell. Thank you very much for being new to the channel. Did you click the subscribe button? Hopefully you did, Jason Powell. And Consuelo Rodriguez, Old Ed, thank you guys very much for subscribing to the channel as well. I do see your names that have popped up there. I like the stock. Rudy likes the stock. That's a dangerous thing when you like the stock, man, because that means that it's going to go up. But you can trust me. I got conviction and no dunder kittens. Very good. If we have low volume for weeks or even months, they are in trouble. Yes. They're definitely in trouble if we can keep the low volume in. I want to squeeze Ken Griffin. I think we all want to squeeze Ken Griffin's money out of his pockets. Right? Blackjack dealers throwing the snake in the chat. Dude, the snake creeps me out, man. There's a snake in the backyard. I tell you right now. He's a dangerous little guy. He's a slippery little snake. He's a slithery little snake. Alika, enjoying my vacation this week and being able to watch Clay without being interrupted by work. Alika, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Glad that you were tuning in during your vacation. I love that. And, hey, glad to have you here. Every single penny out of that dude's pocket. Everyone asking about when and how is beyond simple hold, and it will squeeze. For people, paper hand, the lack of patience, you shouldn't be doing the stock market. Christopher, especially... I mean, day trade something else. Like, you can do crypto, you can do some other trades. Like, AMC might not be your game if you need to take your profit and 5 minutes later. What's your personal price target? And I know it's not financial advice. Frankie, I would love to see $1,000 a share, but I really have no target, man. I really don't have a target. Like, if you're talking target for when I'll sell or anything like that, I don't have. I just want to see 1,000 because I think that would be incredible. But, dude, I know it could get stopped short, and I know it could blow right by $1,000 per share and never look back, too. Clayton, I love the energy. Maybe the different Clayton. I thought he was talking to Clayton Bro here. I was like, what? Irving, me too, bro. We got Irving in the chat. Very nice. Irving is in here somewhere. Apes aren't selling. It's the day traders who are. Yes, King. We need to get rid of the day traders. Take them out, guys. Take out the day traders. Please. 1 million a share confirmed. Frankie, let's do it. $1 million a share would be insane. That wouldn't even be safe. $1 million a share wouldn't even be safe. Down 16,000 in 2 weeks. Dang. That's not good. We'll pick you back up. If you're in AMC down 16 in 2 weeks, we will pick you back up. Oh, man. Dude, options have been killing me in the last. Oh, willing, I got you. Now I saw that one down 16 in 2 weeks. Well, dude, hopefully they hit. Hi, Clay. I am here. Squishy Steve is here. What is going on, man? Bro, do you think we'll drop again? There's the best dip to buy. Trying to buy a few hundred shares. Just Jadal. I have no idea if it's going to drop or if it's not going to drop. But if it does drop, I mean, you got levels of support around $52 per share, $50 per share, and I think $42 per share if you really go lower. 1 milli are the GME kids, possibly. Possibly. That's very high price targets. I honestly thought it would take longer to get this far. AMC to Pluto. Neo Wolf, we're doing great at $56 a share. We're doing great right now. Please don't think that we are. If we hit 55, would be good to start buying again. If not right now, a good buy time. Yeah, Carlos, it could be. We get some support at 55 and then 52 if we bust down through 55. Lex Luger, Clay, I think the AMC saga is similar to the 2008 crisis, especially after watching The Big Short. Lex, it could be, man. It could be very similar to it, but here's the deal. It is a little different knowing that these are... We didn't do anything to cause this AMC deal. We didn't do anything to cause the hedge funds to short AMC. I can't say that the banks are the only ones to blame when a person who knows that they're making $30,000 a year signed a loan for a $700,000 house. Like, both parties were to blame in that one. Stop buying options. If every person buying options just executed or purchased shares, the squeeze would probably happen. Frankie, maybe, but some people have to take advantage of the volatility. Some people that need to provide that income, if they're full-time day traders or whatever, and they need to generate that income, I would be much happier with them buying options and profiting that way than buying and selling shares. Thoughts for next week? It's kind of barcoding. What is it going to do? Dude, my thoughts are always the fact that I wish it goes up. And I'm bullish on the stock, so I think that we can see some price action to the upside. But as far as, how long it's going to consolidate, how long it's going to take to go up, I don't know. I really don't. I want to say, yes, I should follow, but with so much, I don't know, so much effery, if they'd hold it back. Yeah. Me too, Cookie. Me too. Hey, Matt, can I join your billionaire club with my millions? Yes, you can join the billionaire club with millions. If it hit $1 million per share, it's not going to matter because I'll die from a heart attack and the money won't matter. Yeah, dude, don't die of a heart attack, please. I think a lot of people will be caught off guard if it goes that high. Oh, man. Insane Job is a great documentary. Oh, Inside Job is a great documentary on the 2008 crisis too. Gives a great picture of the collusion and revolving door between investment banks and the Fed. Good. Somebody watch Inside Job if you guys need to see a documentary about what was going on back in 2008. Sounds like a good documentary to watch. W2 dust not settled. Give it some time, ladies and gentlemen. Ty, you are very correct. You pay a lot more tax when you day trade. Yes. It is true, but people make a living day trading. So if they're gonna do that, I would rather them do it with options than do it with shares. I hate my cousin. He keeps swing trading AMC because he got in late and doesn't like staying in this high. But I told him to get in way before when this thing was like $8. Luca, no. Hey, but tell your cousin if he swing trades AMC, like he's already gained some profit. So it's almost like he could go out and buy those shares as if they were $8 a share again. So tell him to slow down on the swing trading and hold from now on because it's like his cost basis got lowered since he's already made his profits. I have no idea how I haven't been fired since I started since a large position in AMC. Since a large position in AMC. Visions, I don't know how you haven't been fired either, man. Hopefully you don't get fired, though. People can also go bankrupt day trading. Lex Luthor, absolutely. Absolutely. Mental health is definitely important. If the chart is stressing you out, go walk away, get a workout, burn an effigy of a hedgy. There you go. Do what you need to do. Take care of yourself. Please. My full-time work is now less than part-time. Nice, Vision. Nice. That's the way to go, man. And then one day, full-time work will say bye-bye. Make him an offer he can't refuse, Luca. Do it. Make him an offer he cannot refuse, please. Buy the dip. That is the plan. We are dipping. Guys, you know, the chart does look like it's got some decent action going on, but overall, it's still a pretty slow day moving to the side right now. All right, low for the day. Let's try not to hit that low for the day unless we bounce off of it. I'd rather bounce off of it. Clay, I got a raise, actually. Well, dude, if you got a raise, I don't know. The name of the game is to become financially independent and not have to work a day job. And if that's the case, Vision, you're doing good. Only reason I haven't been fired is because I'm the shop manager. I'm on my phone way too much through this whole thing. Agent, glad you're the shop manager, man. That is the way to go. Please don't fire yourself. That would be devastating. All right, let's go back incognito. AMC Live. Do we show up anywhere? Let's find out. Not just buy the dip, the important thing is hold the line. Yes, if you're going to buy the dip and then sell your shares when you make a 10% profit, come on now. Come on, don't do it. Please don't do it. Hold the line, guys. We want to see AMC go higher. And how do we see that? We hold the stock. That's how we move higher. Oh, man. Oh, these people, I don't know how. They get so high up. YouTube just does not recommend me anywhere. Come on, YouTube, get your game on. Please don't fire yourself. Yeah, please don't fire yourself, dude. We don't need to see that. If nothing else, this movement has woken up a new generation of retail investors who refuse to sit by idly and get muzzled while the 1% takes their money in a financial market that benefits their appetite. Yes, I would agree with that part too. Invoke the power of the George W. Invoke the power of the George W. Let's see it, Neo Wolf. Let's see it. Got a 3-cent dividend, put it into AMC. Doc. Incredible, man. Gotta love those 3-cent dividends, don't you? Over 100% up and holding strong. Neo Wolf, I love it. Stop taking a little chump change profit and get distracted from your main objective. The main objective is to make this life-changing money, and we will make it, guys. We will make it. Please, hold strong. This is incredible. I swear YouTube doesn't know that I talk about AMC. Christopher says, I have more money sitting in my stock than I've ever had before. If AMC has taught me anything, it's restraint. I want so badly to take the gains, but I won't until the squeeze. Christopher, as long as you're learning the lessons, man, as long as you're learning, you're going to be doing very well. Okay, AMC Stock Live, if you search that, we rank 3. All right, good. I like it. Search AMC Live, or AMC Stock Live. Then you're going to be good to go. 2 years ago, I was washing the cars. It's weird being the boss, not going to lie. Agent Jack Stone, man. It's all right. It's weird being the boss, but you are the boss. Don't forget it. Rudy says, LFG, amen, amen. Throwing those rockets out there. People search for chipmunk vids and your channel comes up. That would be incredible. If it did, Doc, that would be incredible if it did. YouTube is confused, Animal Channel, or live stock stream. Well, dude, YouTube can continue to be confused because right now is a live stock stream. In the afternoons, we got the Chipmunk cam on, and it is still a live stock stream with Chipmunk action. So they're doing good. YouTube, you'll learn. You'll learn. All right, you have a good amount of share. And still adding every other day. I put at least 500 to 1,000 every other day, no matter if the dip or not. Tie. Nice. To use Blackjack's analogy, taking profits now is like having a hamburger today instead of 100 Tuesday. Yes. It's the ClayBro Show. Let's get started. What's up, Phineas? Glad to have you in here, man. How are you doing? Off the charts. Yes. Blackjack Dealer says off the charts, Brett. An estimate on how many millionaires will this world have after the AMC squeeze? Very good question. It depends how long we can hold out. Guys, if we hold out to if we reach $10,000 a share, and there's 4.1 million shareholders with an average of 120 shares, then we would have 4.1 million new millionaires. That's easy math. But I don't know what the median and everything looks like to say that the institutions are really dragging that number up, and then the amount of guys with one share are dragging it down. Like, I don't know what that looks like. So there's some math. If we go to 10,000, we're going to have 4.1 million new shareholders, or 4.1 million new millionaires based on the averages. Well, so much for all these rules being passed when they had no effect, either trading sideways or getting pounded down. Dominic, it's still going to be good long term, man. It's still going to be good long term. So I wouldn't worry too much about the fact that it was not what a lot of people were telling you it was going to be. Like, we were going to squeeze on Wednesday or the gamma squeeze on Tuesday. Like, I don't know. Hold these other YouTubers accountable, man. When they're telling you we're going to squeeze on Tuesday and we don't squeeze on Tuesday, ask them why. 10,000 times my share equal no work retiring at 22. Nice, man. Nice. I would love it. Cookie says, nice. Oh, man, let's get it there with GME ClayBro. You're all chipmunk action I ever need. AMC, baby, come on. Let's go. Cookie, you're all I ever need, all right? I've said it. Not millionaires, but gorillionaires. Let's get it. I want to be a gorillionaire. Come on. If you guys want to see the squeeze escalate, then take action and stop sitting behind the computer or the phone waiting for a dip. Yes, go share this channel. Go share AMC with somebody. Tell someone to buy a share of AMC. You're going to be good. Clay, give me the real. I've been in since January. I got AMC PTSD. It's all right. It's all right, Paul. It's all right, Paul. You got AMC PTSD. You're doing good, man. You're making a lot of money. If you've been in since January, you're making a lot of money. I love it. Bro, WTF, I'm hodl. Alberto, I'm glad you're hodl, man. I'm glad you are hodl. Dude, Alberto, you don't need to retract the message, man. Bro, WTF, I'm hodl. I'm hodl too. I'm hodl too, man. I want to see some AMC fireworks before the 4th. Newfo, let's get it. Let's get it. I want to see those fireworks before the 4th as well. Been averaging up myself. Love this stock. This stock's got a lot of potential, guys. This stock has got so much potential that I don't know how you couldn't like it. A bazillionaires. Alberto, on my way to pick up my check so I can buy more shares. Very nice, Alberto. Very nice. I like it. Everybody continuing to eat up all of these shares, and we are not selling them back to the hedge funds. I put on search who is the best that talks about AMC stock. I scrolled down and you were number 6 on the scroll down. Naomi, you put on search who is one of the best that talks about AMC stocks. Is that what you actually searched? Like that was your search term? And I showed up number 6? I'm driving my bet. You are good, Alberto. You are good. Clay, I like your channel better some of the other lives. I like the follow-up ones at the end of the day, so if I miss the live, I will get the coverage. Paul, yeah, man, we always do. I don't know if you're talking about the after hours live stream where we go like into the close and then after hours from like 3 to 5. Those usually get a little bit more attention than these right now. But Q&As, man, that's what it's all about. And then the videos in the evenings. So AMC shoots on the July 4th. We're going to have 8 meeting at AMC headquarters. Let's do it. 1000X. Let's say 1,000 or 10,000. It's very hard to see on the chat. Clay is the GOAT of AMC. Neo Wolf, you're the GOAT of the AMC chat. Love it, man. You keep it real. Very good. Yeah, the after hours. I mistyped. Oh, you're good, Paul. You're good. Yeah, those are really fun. Those are really fun. A lot of people jump into those streams, and I enjoy those a lot. How many likes we got? I can't see how many likes we got right now. If somebody can tell me how many likes we got out there, don't forget to click the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll try to shout you out if I do see your name is coming up as a subscriber. Last action we've got was 22 minutes ago, so I don't see any new subscribers coming in at the moment. I have avocado toast, FOMO, dip, buying back later. Nice. 164 likes. You guys are killing it. Thank you very much, Nick F., Rudy, Squishy, Steve. If you did not click the like button, let's get over 200 likes. Share it with your mom. Share it with your dad. Share it with your brother. Share it with your sister. I really think that would help, actually. You know, YouTube looks at how many people are actually sharing the video. If you guys want to just text this, to somebody like your dad or mom or whatever. I don't even have to watch it, but you know, YouTube's gonna know that it's being shared and that people like it. Where do you see the AMC? Where do you see AMC closing today? Up, Dodge. I see it closing up. Although we just broke down through that little level of support right there. I see AMC closing up. Why do I see it closing up? Because I am bullish on this stock. If you youngins catch you slipping, that's some bad luck. Yes, that is true fruit bowl. The fact that this is being picked up on the mainstream should tell you guys it's getting real. I hope this drags out so it hits less taxes. Yes, and it very well could. Neo Wolf, I see 168 likes. Nice, Neo Wolf, thank you. What's up, ClayBro? Did they borrow more shares to short today? Probably, Daniel. I don't have the Ortex data up. I don't know exactly what they're borrowing right now, but yeah, they probably did borrow more shares. Why? Because they think AMC is going down. So, of course, they're going to short more shares, especially at $55 a share. If they're willing to short at $10 a share, they're willing to short at $55 a share. Why is AMC falling? I don't think it's falling, Chendu. I don't think it's falling. I think it's just moving sideways. It's pretty cool in here. Some other chats are quite clicky. Interesting, Jiu-Jitsu. Interesting. This one's not clicky, is it? I mean, I feel like we do have some regulars hang out in here all the time, but I don't think anybody's got their clicks. I have Somi Convey at 57. Can I average? Mahendra. I'm not sure I understood the question. Re-ask the question, man. They just digging themselves deeper and deeper. They are Luca. Luca, did you see that Ape Father shouted you out yesterday during my live stream? Shouted you out, man. JT Wisco, ClayBro, what is going on? How are you doing? Yes, on the YouTube search. Nice, Naomi. I showed up 6th. Very good. Probably not that good. There's probably only 6 people that are live right now or, you know, doing a video and I show up last. But hey, we're all good. Thank you very much for typing that in and figuring that out. Only click we're in is the Gorilla Gang. Absolutely. In a video game, when you start running into enemies, you are going the right way. That is true, Matt Perry. That is true. And then when you beat those enemies, it's game over and you win. Consolidation is our friend. Trey did a video comparing AMC to Torchlight, and you can see how much stronger AMC is. Nice. I did not see the video that he put out on that, but it sounds like it was going to be a good one. I've already decided I'm moving to New Zealand after the squeezes, so I don't have to cover capital gains. Well, if that works out for you, Christopher, very good, my friend. Very good. What will be the catalyst for start moving the stock higher? Steve, lower volume and more people willing to offer higher prices for the share. What I don't get with all y'all so comfortable when they jump over 100% in 1 week and get shook over 2% down. Y'all funny. I've noticed that. I've noticed that. Dude, if it jumps 30% in a day, the amount of people that view the videos are incredible. If it goes 5%, people are like, "Oh my God, AMC's dead. We're not doing anything with AMC now. We just got to get out of AMC." If it goes down 2%, AMC's dead. We gotta sell. We gotta sell. It's going down. It's going down. It's never gonna go up again. Why are you guys so emotional? Like, why are you so excitable? Weird. Fair enough, Detroit. Yes, fair enough. It is true, though, guys. It is true. People really freak out about the lowest percent declines in the stock, and I really makes me wonder what's going on there. Yeah, I will second, third, fourth, and fifth that because I see it. We hodl till the shorts cover, Rudy. Yes, yes. Astronauts train for years to get to the moon. We can take a few months. Brett, please tell everybody that we can take a few months to get to the moon. My goodness. Keep calm and hodl on. Absolutely, King Jesus. Just like night and day, you can't have the green days without the red. And dude, because in New Zealand, those hunter spiders are not a joke. Yeah, guys, I don't know. I mean, we really don't have many poisonous snakes in Ohio. We don't have many poisonous spiders in Ohio. It's like, we're safe here. I could roll around in the grass all day long if I wanted to, and I'm not even worried. You get to some places like Florida and New Zealand and South America and Central America. Dude, you guys got to watch out. You guys got to watch out about some crazy stuff. Australia. Watch out for them spiders, dude. I'd rather pay the capital gains taxes than come face to face with some of your critters. Like I got chipmunks. You guys got some stuff that can kill you. I thought I just heard the chipmunk. We might throw the chipmunk cam on. Well, we'll throw the chipmunk cam on after lunch. Brett, can I steal that? That is fire. Brett, Vigilante wants to know if he can steal it. That's fire. My average is 1108. Debbie in the house, and people who bought it 50 plus are the ones who freak out when it dips. Yes, if you are already so far, I don't know, profitable or in the money, however you want to look at it right now, you're not even remotely concerned at this point. The dips, the drops, they're not even concerning. So yeah, you'll be the same way. If you got in at 50 and we're trading at 150, you're going to be the same way. You're going to be relaxed, my friend. I am not even worried at all. If Debbie's not worried, you're not worried. Remember that. Columbus, Ohio here. Nice, Tobias. Nice. Glad to have you in the chat. What are some other well-known squeezes in history besides this and GameStop? You can check out Volkswagen for sure. It's probably the most well-known one, right? Texas has poisonous spiders, snakes, and capital gains taxes. You get all the bad news, Brett. You get all the bad news over there. The neckbeard. Samantha. We've got the neckbeard. How's it looking today? Does it look okay? I don't know what you guys think about the neckbeard. Good? Bad? What do we think? Yes? No on the neckbeard? Oh, you guys are awesome, man. Volkswagen 2008. Yes, Rudy, yes. I want to make sure I don't miss anything. Holding 1,114 shares from Seattle. Very nice. Been there. Glad to have you in here with us. ClayBro, Texas has a dangerous cookie, too. I'm telling you guys. The most dangerous cookies are from Texas. Without a doubt. Newark, Ohio in the house. Very nice, Perry. Holding strong in California. Everybody's from California, man. I'll tell you. I recruited AMC buyer the other day. He bought in 50 shares and told him to sell and not sell until it reaches over 10,000. Next day it jumps Next day it jumps 2 days and it jumps over 100%. Ty, that's the same deal. I had some friends buy in the week that we went from like $12 to $36. So, yeah. Some people get in, man, and they triple their money in a week, and they're still in, though. They're still in. So I'm glad. They could have got out at 36, and they'd be missing out on all the way to 55. Can we do the F1 show? Texas thinks they're their own country. Minnesota, Jennifer. Hello from Minnesota. We don't have too many Minnesota viewers. Matt a freaking party, my man. Yes, Matt a freaking party, my man. I seen brown recluse spiders in my backyard. Tobias. Brown recluse isn't gonna kill you though. They're just gonna give you a little rash. Make you itch. Texas ape in the house. Rudy. Texas is our own country. Debbie must be in Texas. All right. After the AMC went down a little over 2%, he ended up selling and it rocketed again. He couldn't buy back in and he was mad. Ah, Detroit, no. That's the worst, and that's what everybody thinks. Oh, I'm going to day trade AMC. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make some quick gains on AMC. Dude, it's so dangerous to be playing with right now. AMC could be at $55 right now, and you know by the end of the day, if it wanted to, it could be at $500. If you're going to go down and take a 2% cut or whatever, I mean, all right, miss out. I don't really care if you miss out, but that's what you're looking at. Better than boring, yes. Neo, but now I forget where you're from, man. I don't know if you just said it. Oh, Texas might end up being, but it was. Your chat disappeared. Sorry. Born in Louisiana, but live in Texas for the job and the economy. Jeremy Jones, very nice. ClayBro Ape Father just opened a GoFundMe page. Help Ape Father reach his goal. What's the GoFundMe for? S21. What's the capital gains tax percentage? Andrew, I don't know. I think you're going to have to look it up. Long term, short term is your income level. So I don't know what your income tax percentage is. Brown recluse leaves holes if they bite you. Yeah, and I don't think you're going to die from a brown recluse bite. You're gonna feel it. Buffalo, New York. Let's go AMC. Jake Bell. Been through Buffalo before. Nice little town. Terrible winters there, right? You get terrible winters there. Some of the worst. Let's jam, agent. Let's jam. Minnesota. Yes. Cash. Always cash. I didn't see what we were talking about with cash there. Margin or cash account. Yeah, cash account would be better for holding your AMC shares in. I would agree with that one. I'm watching my accounts move hundreds of thousands of dollars a day. I'm holding period. Guy off the couch. Amazing. Bought most of my shares at 9, then some at 13. I've been buying the dips and transferred from Robinhood to Webull and lost my low average price. Jennifer, why'd you lose your low average price? If you transfer from Robinhood to Webull, you can go in there and adjust your average if you still got those shares. Like if you're still using those shares. No capital gains tax break here in Cali. Newfo, California's got some crazy rules, man. Great, I'm telling you. Matt Perry's gonna go look into it. Go look into it, man. I will be sorry for you if it squeezes and you can't cash out because you reached your day trade limits. Yeah, you will be sorry. You won't be sorry. If it moves up or down 0.60, that's 1,000. If it moves up or down 60 cents, that's 1,000. Nice. 801. Nice. I love it. 5:30 here. Market opens early in Hawaii. Aloha from Waimanalo. Aloha from Ohio, Jesse. The market does open extremely early there. I would say yes. If it's 5:30 a.m., glad to have you with us tuning in so early, man. Thank you very much. Leave California, welcome to Texas. I'm new to Webull, so I didn't know I could do that. Thanks. Yeah, Jennifer, if you can go in, all your tax documents and all that stuff's going to be the same. You know, they keep track of that stuff on the back end, and they can transfer it. They can tell you all that stuff at the end of the year when you get your documents. But you can go ahead and change your averages if you want to bring your average back to wherever you need to bring it to. Best state indeed. We're talking about Ohio, right? Death Cross coming up. I'm going to buy more if it dips. Jeremy Jones, let's see it, man. Let's get those buy orders going. Aloha. Jennifer says aloha. Absolutely. He could listen to music. I don't even know who's can listen to music right now, but somebody can listen to music. Clay, you want... Matt, I could probably... Where would I play it from? Just on the desktop and then have it come through the desktop audio? Is that how I would do that? Look up Tarantula Hawks before coming to Texas too. Got stung by one between the thumb and forefinger, and it was excruciating. No, dude, I'm not looking up a tarantula hawk. That sounds insane. And maybe I won't be coming to Texas because that sounds dangerous. Dude, if you get things called tarantula hawks, worst thing I got to deal with is a wasp, okay? Yeah. But you would need... yeah. Well, I could hook my AirPods up to the computer, or I could keep my headphones in. ClayBro, we have gems for the after hours stream. Can we have jams for the after hours stream today? Possibly, Cookie, if we can get that stuff set up, possibly. We have a W on the chart. We got a W forming on the chart. Jerry Newfield says we got a W. Let's see a breakout to the upside. Please, ladies and gentlemen, go to Hawaii. No scary snakes. Does Hawaii have anything? Because, like, you know, they're just an island. So they got anything living on there? ClayBro, that's the least of your worries on dangerous things in Texas. Oh, no. Cookie, you probably top the list on most dangerous things for me in Texas. I'm not going to lie. Cookie is probably the most dangerous thing in Texas for me right now. So, Tarantula Hawk, bring it on. Cookie, I'll be careful. Doesn't Hawaii have an island infested with snakes, or is that elsewhere? Neil Wolf, I have no idea. Somebody that lives in Hawaii, Jesse, let us know. Does Hawaii have an island that's infested with snakes? Tarantula Hawk is a wasp that paralyzes the tarantula and Alright, forget it, Matt. Nobody's going to Hawaii. Nobody's going to Hawaii. Nobody's going to Texas. Cookie, you come to Ohio. Nobody's going to Texas. That's not happening. Do I have Spotify? Yeah, but not on my... Like, I don't have the app downloaded on the computer or anything. Come to the UK, no snakes at all. Cecil, we gotta come to the UK, man. We gotta come to the UK. You guys, we're living the dangerous life down here. Robinhood rejected my request to transfer to Webull. Why? Tobias, very interesting. I don't know why they would have done that. Did you have enough? I don't know. Did you have enough funds in your account, or I don't know why they would have rejected that. They didn't give you a reason at all. I'm from Chicago. We don't have scary animals, but in the city, it's definitely dangerous. I'll take my chances in Texas. Local urban. Everybody's got their dangers, man. I would say that Chicago is a dangerous city. Yeah. So you gotta you wanna risk the dangers of the Chicago inner city, or do you want to risk the tarantula wasps or the tarantula hawks that are out there? To each his own, man. Bet on my way. All right, good Cookie, because I can't deal with no tarantula hawks. Just come on here, man. We get some nice friendly chipmunks. Is all we got to worry about here. Hawaii has volcanoes. It does. No, there's no volcanoes in Hawaii. You need to download Spotify, and I'll share the playlist with you. All right, sweet, Matt. It's a desktop app, I would assume. Jennifer says you probably have transfers that haven't cleared, Tobias. Possibly, Jennifer. Thank you for helping Tobias out. I really appreciate that. Urban. Did I say local urban? Okay, gotcha. That's his name. I was like, did I say urban areas, or did somebody else say urban areas? Gotcha. Following from Minneapolis, Minnesota. Thank you very much, Ferdinand Elena Essing. Thank you very much for following. I appreciate that. If you subscribe to the channel, maybe you can get your name up to the top of the screen. And yes, they're not kidding. Look. They subscribed to the channel 2 minutes ago. Ferdinand, thank you very much for subscribing. I appreciate that, as always. Just south of the Twin Cities here. Very nice, Jennifer. Head over 4,000 investing. Interesting, Tobias. I don't know, man. I don't know why it would have canceled your transfer. Dangerous animals versus dangerous people. All day long, dangerous people are going to be more dangerous than dangerous animals. I'll tell you that right now. Big Snake in Chicago, Illinois 131. Do you want... Oh my God, Brian, you're ridiculous. You're ridiculous. Oh, okay, gotcha, Matt, gotcha. Home to the Mayo Clinic. Yep, very good. And then Brian. Nobody listened to Brian. Brian's just talking nonsense about the big snake. Yeah, the big snake is Ken Griffin. That's what he's talking about. Okay. Magnus, thank you. Gotcha. Reply me. Nina, reply me. Did you say anything, Nina? I didn't see you, but I will reply you. Trust me. I will reply everybody that I see in the chat. And I try to see all of you. Jennifer says, correct. That is correct. I'm a truck driver in Chicago. It ain't that bad. Alberto. It might not be, but you know, Chicago is a dangerous city. What's good, Clay? What is going on? Rich Dream. Rich Dreamin', what's going on? Hopefully you're having a good morning, just as we are. Glad to have you in here. We'll be here hanging out for a little while longer, and then it's going to be break time, break for lunch, and come back for after hours with all of the fun that we typically have. Everybody having a good morning so far? Like, is anybody actually having a bad morning? I'm having a good morning. It's okay when AMC trends sideways like this. It's not really that bad of a deal, guys. Down 4%. All right, we live. We go on. Surf, snowboard, and watch lava all in the same day here, only in Hawaii. Jesse, that sounds incredible. High from London, still holding 4 or 5 months with 12,521 shares. Lambo. Nice portfolio, Lambo. Does Adam Aaron issue shares to hedge funds? Nina, yes. When he sells shares directly to the institutional investors, then yes. If he's going to dilute shares in that way, and they're not going on the open market to you and I, he can list those to anybody willing to buy them. So when he gives Goldman Sachs and everybody else the go ahead and sell those shares, institutions buy them up. Rocket is in the chat. I'm an ice cream man, just a cart, me in the open road. I like it, Rocket. Oh, Jack Stack Silver. What is going on? Welcome to the little bro, Jack Stack. Everybody in the chat, make sure to throw out a warm welcome to Jack Stack. Shout his name out. Thank you very much for clicking that join button, for becoming a little bro, getting that green name. It is awesome, guys. It is so much easier to see the green names in the chat. I'm telling you right now. Make sure to join if you want to. I do like it. And please shout them out, guys. We got a lot of bros in here right now. Let's give a shout out to Jack Stack Silver. Make him feel welcome. Janet says, welcome, Jack Stack. Please throw it out there. Amanda says, welcome, Jack Stack. Love it. What was I going to say? Oh, Rocket. We were messing around earlier, though, dude. We were saying that post-squeeze, we either need to fly you out or we need to fly my sister out, and we need to do like a little Sister Rocket date documentary for the post-squeeze video on the YouTube channel, because everybody's confused. What content are you going to be coming up with post-squeeze, Clay? Are you still going to be here? I think the first video needs to be like a Rocket sister candlelit dinner, you know? Welcome, Jack Stack. Absolutely. SD says, hi, Jack Stack. SD, glad to have you in the chat, my man. SD is another OG. He's always in the chat. If you guys need to keep a lookout for SD. Wait. What? Wait, what? Members only chat on Friday, last day of the market this week. Matt, I don't know. It does seem to be a members only chat always in here. There's very few non-members that come in the chat. Oh, man. Everybody's laughing now. Don't be laughing. It's all good. It's for real. We were talking about that earlier. More AMC Queens in here. We got a lot of AMC Queens. I love it, guys. Phineas, you're right. Rush is the greatest band of all time. Phineas, are you talking to yourself, man? Is Phineas talking to himself? How do you join? Gilbert, I don't know if you got iPhone or if you've got Samsung. If you got Samsung, the join button should be right next to the subscribe button. If you've got iPhone, you need to copy and paste the link that's in the description below into the Safari browser or somewhere and actually do it on the internet. You can't do it in the YouTube app if you are on iPhone. But if you're on Samsung or Android, then you can do it through the YouTube app. iPhone user problems. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Amanda. That's what I'm saying. Bought 3 more AMC today. Claude, very nice. Jennifer, thank you for becoming a little bro. Everybody shout Jennifer out. I absolutely love it. Thank you very much, Jennifer. That is incredible. Amazing. Throw out those Jennifers, everybody, please. Clay and Rocket says, thank you for the super chat, Rocket. I always want to say thank you. I never want to not say thank you. Rocket says, Clay sis. Hey, girl. Hey. Clay sis was in the chat earlier. I did see her. I don't know if she's still in here. If she is, Rocket says hello. Hey, girl. Hey. And, yes, throw out those Jennifers. Please, somebody welcome Jennifer. Where is the chipmunk? Chipmunk cam is currently off. The chipmunk is on the patio somewhere right now. We will be bringing the chipmunk back after lunch. Oh, I love it. SD says, hey, Jennifer. Sean says, hodl. Amanda says, Jennifer. Jiu-Jitsu boys waving hi to Jennifer. Janet is saying, Jennifer with the little party face. I love it. Everybody, thank you very much for welcoming everybody who becomes a bro. That is awesome. That is what this community is all about. What up, Clay? Rep in South Carolina. Post-squeeze. I'll be living in Fiji. Josh, I love it. What part of, oh, I don't even want to ask what part of South Carolina. Dude, share if you want. Don't share if you want. We got a lot of people from South Carolina in here, too. I love the fact that we've got a lot of friends. Phineas says, no, just making you agree with me. Thanks. Phineas, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that super chat. And I thought you were talking to yourself for a minute there. But, all right. Looks like I did agree with you because I read it. Phineas. Yeah, that is true. That is true. Very good. You got me. You got me. I appreciate the effort there. It was a good one. And I really did think you were talking to yourself for a second. I thought like somebody might have missed your chat, or I missed your chat, and then you were just going on and talking to yourself. I love me my iPhones. I've never used an iPhone. Not once. Here he hold AMC and feed chipmunks, sing with the ape father, and joke around with Cookie. Yes, here we do all of that. It is a blast. Please don't think that we don't have fun here, because we do. Now, y'all, you guys, we need to hold who are actually selling, preventing the squeeze. Please, diamond hand the stock. Absolutely. Josh, are you upstate or near the beach? I, too, am in the low country. Low country. I don't even know what that means, but, all right, glad he's in the low country. Someone get this man an iPhone. Oh, dude, I wouldn't even know how to use an iPhone if it was in my hand and somebody was giving me a tutorial on how to use an iPhone. Samsung is where it's at. Janet B says, doing great, Sean. Hope you are doing great yourself. Claude Dotton, thank you very much for the super chat. Claude, if you meant to have a chat in there, please get the chat out there. I don't want to miss Claude's super chat. If he wants a shout out, if he's got a question, whatever it is, guys, please make sure that Claude's message gets across and that I see it. because we don't need to miss that there. We got to see it. Ride, new electric pickup truck from Lordstown, Ohio. We got to check it out. Donnell, all right, or Donnell, don't exactly know. Neil Wolf, you've become popular enough for the FUD spreaders to find you. Those are some of the enemies in the game. FUD spreaders, come on down. Bring it on, because we can handle it. We're like the OG FUD spreaders, all right? We're the OG. I can handle the FUD spreaders, and I can handle the people who think I'm a FUD spreader. So bring it on, guys. Bring it on. Claude. You got a message, man? You got a chat? What's going on? We need to see Claude's message. Or he's just sending a super chat, Claude. I don't know. What's going on? Either at me or at Matt Perry. Please, somebody do something. I want to see the message that Claude had. Morning, y'all. Hope everyone's doing well. Irving is over there moaning, and I don't know why Irving is moaning, but all right, Irving, glad to see that your morning is going well. Samsung or iPhone, what y'all holding? ClayBro gang, Samsung all day. ClayBro gang is hitting that Samsung. Yes, Matt Perry, Irving is moaning. No FUD spreading, only... Irving is... Now I get it. It's Irving. Sup, buddy? How you doing, Irving? Come on, let's get started and hammer that like button. Click that like button, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get that likes going to 200. Are we at 200 yet? I don't know. No chat, Claude. Thank you very much for the super chat then. I appreciate that. Everybody, say thank you to Claude for no chat. Thanks very much, Claude. I appreciate it. Amanda is an iPhone girl. iPhone for life. Janet says iPhone for life. Guys, I wouldn't even know what to do with an iPhone. I really wouldn't. I gotta go Samsung. I've always had I've had Samsung Galaxy since the original Samsung Galaxy. Now, I've skipped a couple. Like Samsung Galaxy, the Galaxy S4G, the S3, I think I skipped to. And then the S5, S7, all the way up to the S20. iPhone, you guys are crazy with the iPhones. When Nokia went out of business, I had no choice but to switch to Samsung. Detroit, it was a good switch. I switched from BlackBerry to Samsung. Thought I heard the chipmunk out there. You would have less bugs, Clay. No more camera malfunctions. Possibly, Matt, but I figured out what the camera malfunctions are, and that's when people text me. So, guys, stop texting me while I'm streaming. I've got the Samsung S21 Ultra. Jennifer, did you have the S20 before, Jennifer? Should I upgrade, or is it not worth the upgrade? Let me know. Because I was thinking about it, but I don't know if it's going to be worth the upgrade or not, since I got the 20 and the S21s out there. Phineas is on the S9. Very nice, Phineas. Very nice. I think there's probably a big difference, though, in the S9 to the S20. So if you are thinking about upgrading sometime soon and you want to buy an older S20, I like mine very much. Lucas says, Androids, ugh. No, dude, Androids are where it's at, man. This convo, to me, OS fracturing this community. This convo, to me, is fracturing this community. No, it is just showing that we can both hold different phones in our hand, and we stay strong together. Those Nokias were ahead of their time. I would imagine the Nokias were ahead of their time. The Nokias are bulletproof, too, man. The old school Nokias are bulletproof. S21 Plus is a beast. All right, Carlos, I'm going to have to check it out then. Note 9 before lost the S Pen, though it does have the capabilities. All right, sweet. Nokia made new phones recently. All right, interesting. Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, baby. All right. When I drove Uber, all the iPhone owners were always asking for a charge. And then what'd you do? You turned your Samsung Galaxy S20 on to wireless charging and gave him a charge, didn't you? I'd like to see an iPhone do that. Come on now. Slick Rick, come to my channel and ask questions. Yes, Slick Rick, go to his channel and ask questions. That would be a good one. He does have a channel. Make sure to check it out. I'm selling AMC because you have a Galaxy. Matthew, bad reason to sell AMC, man. Bad reason to sell AMC. But if that's what you got out of it, then go for it, man. You're going to miss out on a lot of money. Sidekick needs to make a comeback. I don't know if I could go back to a keyboard like that. I really don't know if I could. How sick were the Razors, though? Dude, I'm telling you right now, the Razors were sick. I had a Razor in high school. I was the man. Didn't text anybody. I had no friends, but I still had a Razor. Went from the Razor to the BlackBerry. They were nice. No friends did text with that Razor, but I did have a Razor on T9. I literally walked into my pool last weekend with my Note 9 in my pocket for 5 minutes and didn't know that night it worked like just... Dude, I'm telling you, Paul, I've gotten into the hot tub before with the S20 and it worked just fine. It said that I had moisture in the charging port and then it cleared out and everything was fine. Technically, I still have my Verizon connection, so my iPhone 12 was 300 outright. Oh, nice, Matt, nice. Yeah, there you go. I like it. Clay was too cool to be having friends. Janet, no, the exact opposite, actually. The exact opposite. Nobody wanted to be my friend, so. Except, I don't know if Nick F and Danger is still in the chat, but. Choose your friends wisely, my guys. Choose your friends wisely, and they will be there for life, alright? That is my advice. If I can give you financial advice, it's choose your friends wisely, and they will be there for life. Yeah, what are friends? Exactly, Matt. Exactly. You guys just choose them wisely, and you're good to go. Nice little distractions from the chart today. Absolutely, Irving. We're moving sideways. It's all good. Paul, I believe it, man. I believe it. I feel like you guys are my friends. I feel like I'm at least your friend, and that's what I like about this whole thing. Slams Razor phone shut after big business deal. Jeremy Jones, yeah, not even like pushing it with your finger, just like little wrist action, shutting that phone, and you're good to go. I think I might sell and buy back at 50 to 52. Ernie, risky play, man. What if we never touch 52 again? What if we never touch 52 again? You're gonna miss out. Well, look at you now, ClayBro. Look at me now, hanging out with 124 of my closest friends. I love it. We family. We family, Carlos. Absolutely. Still got the chipmunk, mate. I still got the chipmunk. When you guys all leave me in the dust and you don't care about ClayBro anymore, I will still have the chipmunk because I feed him sunflower seeds. Ernie Nufo says friends with benefits. Yes, friends with benefits of making a lot of money on AMC. That is the benefit. 8 family here. Janet, I love it. Yes, we are all family. I might sell now and buy back at 52. Options. Risky play, man. Risky play. I feel bad because when I came in 123 people watching now, and I feel like I was screwing up the algorithm. Now it's 124. Don't feel bad. You're not screwing up any algorithm, guys. It's 118 is what I'm showing, but you're still good. You're still doing good. I could use some benefits. Neo Wolf, we all could use some benefits, right? And the benefits of making money in the stock market. Rocket, thank you for the super chat, Rocket. Let's see what Rocket has to say. Don't believe him. He was the most popular guy at our high school. No, Rocket, I believe you were referring to yourself, and I was like your sidekick, man. So, I do remember those days very, very well, as if they were yesterday. And, guys, don't let Rocket fool you. Dude's got game. Dude's got game. So, yes, Rocket was by far, he was not only valedictorian, not only voted prom king, he was also class president. So, yes, Rocket knows his stuff. And, dude, if you need any tips about anything in life, just life in general, hit him up on Twitter. His Twitter is ClayBro883. You instantly get a like and subscribe. Congrats. The New American Founders, thank you very much for clicking that like and subscribe button. If you did, let's check. We're going to check you out on that. We're going to call you out. Did you click the subscribe button? Did you click the subscribe button? I don't see it yet. I don't see it because if you did, look. Jake's name up here, your name's going to show up right up there. So let's see that subscribe button get clicked, please. Yes, margin call is on. I would love it. Fake ape father in the house? I don't know. Brother, let's do weird thing. Yeah. That's the fake ape father talking about toe wrestling and stuff. Don't believe that one. Ape father, you selling at 750 like the rest of the clowns in here? I don't know. How are you, silly guy? We saw you shaving at the bar. Oh, yes. I don't think... Hey, Cookie, I don't think that's the real ape father. Dude, the ape father... Now, let's just talk about this for 1 second. The real ape father lives a very dangerous life. He's got that girl straight razoring his chest hair, right? And then he's, like, trying to do some NSYNC move, and he's, like going like this when he's got a straight blade to his chest. I'm like... All right. What do you think? Maybe we should go to the salon and have someone straight razor my neck beard. Now that would be dangerous. Trust me, I will not be going when she's straight razoring my neck beard. Never. Yes. Y'all tripping. That's the fake one. You can see his picture and the name is wrong. Come on, guys. Don't trip. What are you doing now? It's straight tripping. New American Founder. Yes, you did. Let's see. When did you subscribe to the channel? Oh, I do see it. Okay. Phineas subscribed again. Found King. And yes, I do see the New American Founders has clicked the subscribe button. So after Jake's reign is over, you should see the New American Founders name pop up on the top of the screen there. Thank you very much for clicking that subscribe button. I do see that now. Clay, you're gonna sell your shares at 38,000. Dude, if it hits 38,000 and everything's pointing to the fact that the squeeze is over, yeah, I'm selling my shares at 38,000. If everything shows that the squeeze is over at 1,300, I'm selling my shares at 1,300. If everything's saying that the squeeze is not over, I'm holding those shares as far as we can go. 100%, man, 100%. It's the real one. It's the real one, Glizzy. Maybe, I don't know. Somebody's asking. Fake one, real one, I don't even know. Hodl, I don't even know. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Who could resist subscribing to such an awesome channel with such an awesome community? Nia Wolf, there are people who resist it. You know how I know? Because 60%, 60 to 65% of the viewers on this channel do not click the subscribe button. And I don't know why. I don't know why. I got the analytics to prove it, man. Just click the subscribe button. It's that easy. You can thank me later. Yep. Oops, you caught me, Phineas. I did catch you. Come on now, Phineas. I see your name up top. I see your name. Yeah, he was really into that NSYNC song. Marquise, wasn't he? Oh my gosh, that was dangerous. Those are some dangerous dancing moves. Lonnie Benjamin, thank you for the super chat. Lonnie Benjamin, the squeeze is not going to happen till October at this rate. LOL. Here's the deal, man. If we wait out, thank you. I don't know. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that, Lonnie. You are the man. If the squeeze does happen in October, it's gonna be a beautiful Halloween. We know that Cookie's gonna be dressing up as a chipmunk for Halloween this year, regardless of whether the squeeze happens or not. But it's going to be that much better if the squeeze does happen in October. So keep that in mind. Update, please. Update. Cookie, you got an update. Halloween costume. Chipmunk. All right. Confirm or deny right now. That's fine. I was thinking September. That's fine. October's fine. You were thinking September. I'm good for October too. I'm good for October too, guys. I can hold out till October easily. I'd be happy if it goes in October. Plenty of time to keep buying. Absolutely, Phineas. I'm hoping till February. Well, dude, February. What's that gonna do? It's gonna give you long-term capital gains tax? Is that what that's going to do if you hold out till February? Hey, bro, do you give out your WhatsApp number after we leave comments like other YouTubers? Newfo. No, dude, that's a spam account. If you thought that was me doing that, that is a spam account. Please. And that's a spam account on everybody's YouTube. They make up different YouTube names. It's not me going out there and throwing my WhatsApp out there or any other YouTuber for that matter. That's spam. For sure. Clay, let's do a toe war. Oh my goodness. Why are we thinking that far out? Tipsy Penguin. I don't know. If we just got sideways price action, they could hold out for a while. That would be one of the reasons. I'm going to dress up as King Kong waving an AMC flag. Nice, Detroit. I'll be your chipmunk, Clay Bay. Cookie, sounds good to me. Report all spam accounts. Yeah, guys, please do. I try to delete all their comments, and I really don't understand. I ban their comments, and then immediately, like, they just send more. So I don't know if they're making multiple accounts or what the deal is, but yeah, that's not me for sure. If it's me commenting on a channel, you'll see my name will be highlighted. It's in like a gray bold highlight. So you'll know that it's me if it's me commenting on my channel. The other ones are terrible. Venmo is better than Cash App. Tell me I'm wrong. Rocket. I don't know if you're wrong. I don't have Venmo. Could be better. Could be better, but I can't tell you you're wrong. So you might be right. December is too long and not long enough. Very interesting. The volume on AMC is very low. Is it very low? Is it very low? 50 million shares before lunchtime. I don't know if that's necessarily low. I want to see 0 shares being traded. Bought another 1,000 shares today for my apes. Nice. The ape father. Which one is the... Now we got like multiple ape fathers in here. We get the real ape father in the house? I don't know. We get like 2 different ape fathers in here. I know for a fact the ape father talking about a toe war is not the real one. But the other one might be the real one. I don't know. Somebody says, forget about Zell. WTF. Dude, nobody knows. Woo! AMZ to Pluto. Woo! Natalie. You like that song? Me too. I'm confused. Newfo, about the people leaving comments on the channel. Don't be confused about that, dude. That's spam accounts. Every time. If they say WhatsApp or anything like that, that's a spam account. Bro, gone to his YouTube channel. None of those pics match at all. Luca, you know, dude. Fake accounts then. You're all good. You're all good. I don't know why I'm excited to see lower volume than usual. Because, man, it means that we're holding the stock. Neither of them is real. All right, good deal. Glizzy, thank you very much, man. Glad somebody's checking because I can't really tell when I'm in here. Maybe for you too. Maybe for you, Cookie Love. Uh-oh, Ape Father's getting on Cookie. Come on, calm down now, Ape Father. Come on now. That's my Cookie. Whoo! Hey, we can still sing his song, though. Were you guys... Who was in here during the Ape Father interview when he jumped up on the live stream yesterday? That was, that was a lot of fun, man. That dude's a trip. I love it. That dude's hilarious. Alright, making sure I didn't miss anything. Alright, we look good. I'm not real. Good. Listen, dude, if you're willing to admit that you're not real, I don't care what name. You can have a fake ClayBro name too. It's all good for me. This is the calm before the storm. This is the calm before the storm. Hey, if it is, we're going to be doing good. Cookie wants a shout out at the next video. The next video. We might be able to make it happen. We might be able to make it happen. I'm thinking about it. He's a fake. Or Cookie wants a shout out from Ape Father. No, ClayBro wants a shout out from the Ape Father in the next video. Come on now. I'm not real. You just said you weren't real. He's real. Who the heck knows now or anymore? I don't even know. I had a hangover yesterday, so I wasn't very active in the chat. Neo, well, at least you're active today, man. And if you guys click that like button, that is you're doing your part. We're getting the chat out there. He was live with ClayBro yesterday. One of them was live. I should have made the real Ape Father a mod in here, so we know that it's the real one. I should have made the real one a mod in here. I wasn't thinking. You guys should have told me. Keep me on my toes, guys. Keep me on my toes. Good evening, Siva. Good evening. I was voted most likely to get arrested. NT, Clay, have you voted on the share dilution yet? Yeah, I did. I voted, like, Thursday? A week ago? I think it was Thursday. He goes, they were right. Oh, my gosh. Who's real? This is just the Matrix anyway. You are correct, my friend. You are correct, Irving. Oh, my God. Lex, sign me up to that. Halloween. What did Lex say? Cookie will be dressed as a cookie. Clay will be the cookie monster. Oh, Lex. Ah. Well, now we know what we are going for as Halloween. I thought the chipmunk was a good idea, but now it seems like we are going as the cookie and cookie monster. After the squeeze, what do you think is going to be the next hot stock? American four founders. I think that AMC is going to have a run after the squeeze. I really do. I think they're going to continue shorting it on the top after they cover their short positions. I really do. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Woo! AMZ to Pluto. Yeah, Lex, I saw the comment up there, man. Oh my gosh. There are multiple Ape Fathers and might be multiple ClayBros. YouTube is so confusing. New folk. YouTube is very confusing, man. For some reason, people really like to imitate other accounts. I don't know why, but they do. And J Hag's name up at the top. J Hag, thank you very much for subscribing to the YouTube channel. I appreciate that. Getting your name up there. What is AMC doing? Not much. Not much. Bouncing off 55. Alright, we can take it. Let's see if this holds. Let's see how long that holds out. If it does. Ape Father, whoo, AMZ to Pluto. This ape can't wait to be. Yes. Let's get those diamonds out there, man. Let's get those diamonds out there. Is that the real Ape Father? Nobody knows. They should only let you have one username. Luca, they really should. They should really only let you have one username. I don't know why people have multiple people gonna have the same username. Last Halloween, I wanted to dress up as Aladdin and had my girlfriend be Jasmine, but we switched costumes. Very interesting, Irving. Very interesting. I don't know how you did that, but all right. You get a Lambo, Clay? No, no, dude. I'm not a Lambo type of guy. Like the craziest car. I really do like the Corvette, but I'm completely happy with my Kia Forte, man. I really am. I would rather, and you know, if AMC goes to $1 million a share, something dumb. All right, cool. But I would rather just make sure that the money doesn't get blown on a car, that it's set up, it's in an account to work for itself the rest of my life, and so on and so forth. But dude, I don't even think if I was a gazillionaire, I'd get a Lambo. I don't know. What are you gonna do? Driving around Ohio for 3 weeks out of the year? Please getting Lambo doors on the Kia. Absolutely, Lex. That is the plan. You can't make the Ape Father a mod before you make Cookie a mod. Marquise, you are correct on that one. I would never do that. I would never do it. Bro, the Netherlands checking in. Michael Peters, what is going on from Ohio, man? How are you hanging over there in the Netherlands? I don't speak any Dutch, so sorry. I was going to say something, but I don't speak any Dutch. I'm just going to lift my Jeep 5 foot. Nice, Mr. R. Very nice. Oh, gosh. Ape Father. Weird, brother. Weird. It is very weird. Ape Father is not here. Yes, Doc. Cookie. I want a Keep 4x4 Wrangler. She wants a Keep 4x4 Wrangler. If anybody knows what that is, Cookie. I'm messing with you. I see that you said Jeep down there. Good deal. Good, Michael. Very good. Glad to see that. Clay gonna get a pool. Hey, Luca, that would be pretty cool. You guys think I should put a pool in the backyard? I feel like if I dig out a pool, though, I might mess up with the chipmunk's house. Because it's under the patio. I don't want to mess with the chipmunk's house. Clay speaking plenty of French. Just ask Cookie. Clay, do you stretch during the day? Yes, during the lunch break. We stretch during the lunch break. ClayBro, isn't that naive? I might be, guys. I might be. Then pilots easily go over 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Honda Pilot. Very nice, man. 2023 Honda Pilot. Let's do it, Detroit. Clay, I'll message you about hopping on again soon. All right, Ape Father. We'll see if it's you. Message me if it is. Nobody can ever tell. You couldn't sell your shares at 100,000 per. Who would buy? Tobias. The hedge funds would buy the shares if they were required to buy the shares. The Ape Father stretch naked. Probably. They will run marathons around Fords and Chryslers. I wouldn't doubt it. I wouldn't doubt it. It's just getting a little weird. I don't know. Agent Jack Stone. Hopefully he buys some hair transplants after the squeeze. Oh my gosh. I'm going to find me a Ford Tempo for $500. Nice, Agent Jack Stone. I swear, Fruit Bowl and Agent Jack Stone are best friends. I know they are. I know Agent Stone and Fruit Bowl are best friends. Tobias, do you eat people? What? Do you eat people? Nah, I'm concerned. I'm scared. You guys got me scared, guys. What's going on? Clay just sent a DM with a pretty serious question. Rocket sent a DM with a serious question. Oh, no. Is it a serious question, or does it just say you have a serious question? Clay, can I get an always? Woo! Oh, reference to the Z Nation TV show. Gotcha. Woo! Oh my gosh. Definitely the second one, man. Definitely the second one, Rocket. I like it. Oh gosh. You guys are nuts, man. You guys are nuts. After your video about hodling, what are the odds people will begin selling out before even hitting the highest peak? Henry, very high. The odds are always very high that people will sell out before the actual peak. They will create the peak when they sell, and they will certainly limit the true potential of AMC. Which is percent we want to know. Nobody's gonna know. How will they know? Nobody's gonna know. How will they know? Or is that mine? Woo! Blackjack waddles back and fat and happy after breakfast. Blackjack is waddling back in, fat and happy after breakfast. Blackjack, glad to have you in here, man. Jennifer, I didn't think anyone knew about it besides me. Jennifer knows about it. Jennifer knows about it, man. I don't even know what Black Summer is. Somebody else. Jennifer and Nia Wolf are the only ones that know about it. Just give me 1,000 per share and I'll sell half and let the less ride. Dude, take that profit and let the other half ride, man, all the way to the moon. Just squeeze. Chris says just squeeze. Let's see it squeeze, Chris. I want to see it. The actual high is one thing, but the one thing is based on each person's mental thought of what the high is. Chris, yeah, dude. Yeah, and you know, the potential is unlimited. The price is not going to go to an unlimited amount. It will be capped. So, I mean, that right there just shows you that we're going to cap the squeeze at some point when we finally accept the number. It's not going to reach infinite, but it's going to be going. Is that the real Trey Subway Cup? Let's find out. Is that the real Trey Subway Cup, or we got an imposter in here? Best zombie show ever. Ah, very interesting. I don't even know about Black Summer. Sounds like Jennifer does, though. Uh-oh. Neo Wolf and Jennifer hitting it off over Black Summer. Very nice, guys. Rico Suave in the house. Ladies, what is up, Rico? How are you? Calling it. He's calling it. Weeble has AMZ as bullish under the comment section. Is this based on Weeble subscribers? I would imagine so. Either that or the fact that it's based on recent price action. What the heck is Black Summer? Apparently it's a zombie show, Chris. I've never seen it. I've never seen it. Tagging the Ape Father. I don't know if that's the real Ape Father, guys. How we know the hedges are buying the stock? Vincent, the stock, when the hedge funds start buying the stock, it's going to drastically increase in price. What else do I do to live? I eat, I breathe, I drink water and coffee, and that's how you stay alive. They turn immediately. Ooh, dangerous. Dangerous, Jennifer. When the zombies, you know what we're talking about? Zombies turn immediately. Dangerous. ClayBro says, woo! In bed every single night. Oh my god, you guys are nuts. We ain't selling, sell. We ain't selling, sell. We ain't selling, sell. No, we're really not selling right now. I'm not selling. Definitely not. Definitely not selling. I'll sell when they cover it. Yes, me too. Clay, can I get an awoo? Awoo! AMZ to Pluto. Yes, you can get an awoo. For sure. Turn and cough, my bro. Oh my god. When Tesla rips, Neo rips right after. Neo to 50 so I can buy some more AMC. Let's go, Claude. I like it. When is Cookie flying to Ohio? Woo! Cookie to Ohio. Are they selling the dark pool shares on the stock market, then shorting it, then buying the stock back cheap and selling it at 60 to increase capital? If so, could they do this forever? Sandra, I don't think that they're doing that. I don't think that they're doing that, Sandra. Stock group, can I get it? Yes, we got so many ahoos. Ahoo! AMC shares on Cash App safe. Yeah, Rebecca, they're safe. I think you would be better off with an actual broker than using Cash App, but they're definitely safe. Cookie has always been there. Actually, she doesn't even need to fly. She lives in Ohio. What are you guys talking about? Why would she fly to Ohio when she already lives here? Bought some more this morning because I'm just dumb money. Nice, Chris. Dumb money making dumb money. Safe? Yes. Good idea? No. I think you can do. I think you can get a better broker than that. They're safe. Oh, Z Nation. Jennifer, I haven't watched Black Summer yet. I want to finish Z Nation first. Jennifer, what do you think about that idea? Should Neo Wolf finish Z Nation first, then watch Black Summer? AMC Life Changer. Ooh, yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Absolutely, Rebecca. Anytime. Glad to have you in here. That's my blackjack dealer technique. It's patentable, my bro. I like it. It's ClayBro. What up, my homie? We got this. We got this, Eric. Absolutely. After the squeeze, I'm gonna pick up ClayBro from Ohio to California. We get to Tijuana in my candy gold convertible Kia Forte Cali Breeze, baby. Nufo. It sounds like a good plan to me, man. Sounds awesome. Never had a problem cashing out. Very good. Cash App is fine. Yeah. Two to Pluto. Two to Pluto. Let's go. Never had a problem cashing out or buying in. Very good, Detroit. Very good. I watch Z Nation, so I think you're fine. All right. Jennifer knows all about it. I need a bro shirt. Chris, you do need a bro shirt. If you don't win a bro shirt, guess what? You can go to claybro.com and get a bro shirt. Good choice. Good choice. I'm going to say good choice. You know who I'm responding to right now? I'm going to say very good choice. Yes. Nicely done. I like it. I think you're going to be doing... Yes, everybody's going to be happy with that. Everybody's going to be happy with that one there. And thank you for the DM. I appreciate that. A rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Yes, it does. Fruit bowl. Yes, it does. And, yes, good choice. Very good choice. I've cashed out amounts over $50,000 on Cash App and was able to. Very nice, Detroit. Very nice. I need ClayBro socks with your head on them. Chris. Oh, man. ClayBro socks with my head on them. Coming soon, right? Cookie, you are in here still, right? Let me know. How about socks? I think it's hard to print on socks. I really do. And you say any... Nate. Oh my gosh, Nate. Cash App isn't Robinhood, at least. Yes, Cash App is not Robinhood. Sorry to repeat. What do you think of the head and shoulders over the course of the last 2 weeks? Martin, I did not know that you were repeating that. What are you looking at there? Are you looking at like an hour chart? You looking at a daily chart or what? Maybe here. Yeah, it's looking pretty juicy. It's looking pretty juicy. Now I forget who just sent that. I like it. If we could bounce off right off this level right here, we might come back down and test this level at 52. But that's not that great of a decline if we do. So... yeah, I think that could be looking very nice, guys. With the head and then the two shoulders here, it looks very nice. If we fall back down to 52, we could rip higher. Very, yes, Cookie. Nicely done. Nicely done. Is the price in the uptrend resistance? Is the price in the uptrend resistance? No, technically it would be support, but now that it fell back down a little bit, I think we need to move that line, this uptrend right here. Just need to curve that out a little bit. We seem to be hitting this and using this as support. So hopefully we continue to walk that line right there. Into lunchtime and then into after hours. But when the head and shoulders be bullish, no fudding, just asking. Yeah, Martin. I think it's gonna be even if we fall back down to the $52 level. I still think that that's okay. You know, we need to find these levels of support that hold out before we can bounce higher. And moving from 56 to 52 is not going to be that bad of an idea. I don't know if we're gonna touch 50 again. I know some people were asking if they think that we should wait until 50 to 52, like sell now and buy back in at 50 to 52. If we touch 52, you know, we might not touch 50. So you get dangerous. You get a little risky when you're talking about buying back in at the $50 level. Robin the Hood. Talking about Robin Hood again. What's for lunch, bro? I don't know what's going to be for lunch today. I got some chicken. I know that. I loved the cookie. Me too. I liked it. Rocket loved it. Uh-oh. And that is why he was the most popular guy in high school. I was always second. I liked it. He loved it. When you have passion, you go further in life. Cookie. I liked it. He loved it. What are we going to do? You know? I'm always going to be second place. Egg yolks raw. Woo! No, I will not be eating raw egg yolk. I can tell you that right now. Oh my goodness. Cookie says, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's in a heavy place of ascending support on my chart. I like it. I like ascending support, guys. Please keep ascending support in mind. We're going to be here for about another 15 minutes. We'll break at 12:30. 3-hour live stream this morning. Going very well. We're going to eat some lunch. Come back a little bit later. Make sure to tune in at 3 o'clock. 3 to 5. Nice after hours. Nice into the close after hours live stream that we're going to have. And we'll be strong in that one. At least I'll be able to eat some lunch. Wake up a little bit. Eat some breakfast, really. You know, coffee for breakfast, that's not too... you can't sustain life on coffee alone. This is pretty dumb there. Come on, man. Like that. All right. If it goes 55, I'm dropping 50,000 pounds more on it. Let's go, Lambo. Lambo. John says, hey, bro. First timer here. Wanted to check this stream out to show my support for the apes. Been holding since February. Dropping my like for you, LFG. John, glad to have you in here, my man. Don't forget to click that subscribe button as well. Thank you very much for stopping into the stream for the very first time. And yes, can we have music today in the PM? I would hope yes. We will find out, Cookie. We will find out if we can have music during the afternoon, but we will definitely be bringing up the chipmunk cam. Where's he at? No, there he is. We will definitely be bringing up the chipmunk cam in the after hours as well. So make sure if you guys want to hang out with him, you come back for that. Johnny Truth Clay, seems like they're trying to keep us in a channel that doesn't go too low, which will create FOMO buying. They seem to be testing various price points that test our resolve. Johnny, that's a good way of looking at it, man. That's a good way of looking at it, because we know all these people who see AMC trading at $50, $55 a share, if it goes to $45 a share, it's going to look like a good deal. That's going to cause a lot of people to really jump in and buy it. So they could be doing that, man. Everybody, let's go. No, let's not do that. Let's just, eat some lunch. We're going to eat some lunch, Detroit. We don't have to go out and smoke. ClayBro! The silver channel is not a silver investing, but having fun collecting silver coins. Gotcha, Jackstack Silver. Now I understand. I'm all in on AMC since January. 500 at 550 hodl. Love the channel, bro. Love the channel, bro. Just clarification. Very nice, Jackstack Silver. Although I do not collect any coins myself, I believe that my uncle's got a very nice coin collection, and maybe he should check out your channel. Uncle, if you're watching right now, check out Jacktax. Clay, can I get an AWU? Man, you guys love the AWUs, don't you? AMC to Pluto. What's for lunch? Jennifer, I'm not exactly sure. Guys, give me some ideas for lunch. Give me some ideas for lunch right now, because it's time. I'm hungry. I need to eat. We're going to be going off here in about 12 minutes. Brett Texas, listen, we just try to protect our skin. Okay, yes, protect your skin, guys. Please do that. Kenneth Griffith has his short man syndrome. He probably does, Blackjack. Are you going to Hardee's for lunch? No, I'm not going to go to Hardee's for lunch. Stock Gump, man. I feel like it's the same dude, just changing his name. KFC. Colombian and KFC. Sushi for lunch. Pizza. I have been hungry for pizza for quite some time now. I will say that. Do some eggs and chips again. Diamonds everywhere. I might, actually. Quesadilla cooking with us. Ooh, I can make another quesadilla today. I got the stuff to make a quesadilla. Chips and salsa for you, Jennifer. That actually does sound good, too. I'm out of regular salsa. I've only got, I think it's like peach and pineapple. Or pineapple and mango salsa or something. I forget what it is. Rockets, bacon, egg, and avocado sandwich. Don't have any avocados in the house, but I do have bacon and eggs, so I could make a bacon and egg sandwich, but the avocado really sounds like it adds to that. That sounds like it should be something on my menu. And Rocket, thank you for the super chat, Rocket. I appreciate it. I think that one might have made me the hungriest out of them all. Bacon, egg, and avocado sandwich. I like it. $5.99 Domino's. Save some money and buy more AMC. $5.99. Does that get you a large? Does $5.99 get you a large at Domino's? Cookie says, yum, mango. I think that is. I think that's what it is. It's not regular salsa. It's like a sweet fruity salsa. Egg yolks. Ooh. Oh, man. Stromboli. Samantha says Stromboli. You guys, I'm really now. You guys better believe that I'm going to be eating it. Rocket is saying thank you, Rocket. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. Enough for the super chats. So thank you very much, Rocket, for the super chat. And also, all of that, just take it back and pretend I didn't say thank you for the super chat, and you'll be good to go. Lauren, stopping in the house when we got 9 minutes left in the stream. Lauren, glad to have you in here, but it is tea time, Lauren. No, it's lunchtime. It might be tea time for you. I don't know what time you eat. But, yeah, we're definitely going to be definitely going to be eating here in about 10 minutes. Clay, question for you. If hedge funds are losing millions of dollars a day, who is receiving that money? Who is making money off the hedge funds right now prior to the squeeze? Kevin, good question. The brokers and the lenders, whoever is lending those shares out to the hedge funds, are making that money in short interest. Now, with the borrow rate going down drastically from where it was when it was at 80 to 100%, they're making a lot less money per day than they were before. But if the rate goes back up, yeah, millions of dollars in the borrow fees going out to the lenders. And brokers are lenders, and then institutional holders who lend those out are also making that money. Lagging. It does look like I never know. Is the voice lagging or is it just the camera? If it's the camera, I am sorry for that, guys. Somebody was probably messaging me or something dumb. But, lobster and steak. Samantha says lobster and steak for lunch. I don't think that I will be eating lobster and steak for lunch. But that does sound good as well. Maybe I should call up Red Lobster and, hey, can I have a surf and turf, please, delivered to the house? Let's go. M. James in the house. Wow, I have not seen M. James in a while. What's going on, M. James? It's been since, like, last night since I've seen you, man. The modcast is in here. Yes, Rocket. We got the modcasters going. My question is, at what point is it no longer profitable to hold their positions and would make more sense to cut their losses and make us rich? Mr. R, right now. Right now. They should not be holding their stock. Like, if they honestly think that it's going to go back down, I think that they should cut it and just give up now. But they're not doing that. They're watching their losses grow, and I don't know why they want to do that. Don't roll your eyes at me. Never, Nick F. Never. Why? Or would they do a callback if interest? Would they do a callback if interest is low? I doubt it, Gap. I doubt it. When interest is low, it just reflects the risk that's involved. So, if it's low interest, I highly doubt they do a callback because they just think that it's not that risky to loan those shares out. It fixed itself. Good, Neo Wolf. I don't know why it was all messed up a minute ago, but it gets that way. I have a bill payment due next Friday. Unfortunately, I used my savings on AMC at 60. What do I do? You use all of your savings on AMC. You have zero money left to pay your bills. Dude, don't go that far in on AMC. And just yeah, don't go that far in on AMC that you literally can't put food on your table and pay your bills. That's a bad idea. Sorry, I had to go to the hospital yesterday. I'm having some issues with my vision. Almost fainted while I was driving yesterday. M. James, oh my goodness, dude. You okay? Everything good? Man, it's a good excuse for not being here, but got me concerned, man. Me too, dude. Hope you're doing better. Lauren says, tea time. Yes, I was busy having my camera. Oh, your throat camera thing done. M. James was with you. I wanted to be with you, Lauren, but I'm glad that M. James was with you at the hospital getting that camera thing done. Was it as scary as you thought? Let us all know right now before lunch, before we break for lunch. Was it as scary as you thought it was going to be? Was everything okay and you're feeling good now? I do want to know. I really do. Citadel, you're not my real dad. Jack Stacks, yes, Citadel is not your real dad. Also, what if hedge funds know something that we don't know and that's why they're still shorting? Dude, hedge funds do know something that you don't know. Hedge funds know when they're going to cover their short positions. Also, hedge funds know something that you don't know. AMC is not worth $50 per share. If you think AMC is worth $50 per share, it's not. AMC is worth drastically less than $50 a share. We are driving the price up higher because because the hedge funds need to go cover those shares. Now, you should know that AMC is not worth $50 per share. But if you did not know that, now you do. No, it was okay. I just feel drunk now. Well, Lauren, you are. I'm glad that you made it through it. I'm glad that it was okay, and it's not something that we should be worried about. What time back? I gotta drive. Cookie, probably 3 p.m. Eastern time. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. I think is what we're gonna go hang out with after hours, into the close, and then a good hour after hours. You have no viewers because lies on Matt. You have no viewers because lies on Matt. SWAT, Texas. Everybody does hang out with Matt during the day. I absolutely know that. I think that's what you were trying to say. But if you were trying to say something else, say something else. Why would the borrow rate be going down? Brandon, borrow rate could go down for a couple of reasons. One, more shares are available, or two, they are currently not shorting them in the same quantity that they were before. So demand for short positions could drive the borrow rate up. So if there's less demand or there's more supply, both of those things could drive the borrow rate down for AMC stock. Those are the two things that you would look at. Their only move is to keep shorting. Their only chance is if we sell. Yeah, that's true. I mean, if they want to continue driving the price down, they have to apply that pressure. So they need to continue shorting. And also, if we don't sell, guys, it's game on. We win. Bro, enjoy lunch. See you in the afternoon. Lex Luthor, glad you're in here. Please enjoy your lunch as well. Matt is a good dude, but he is kind of annoying. I don't know if he's annoying or not. He's a good dude. M. James, you okay? M. James, please be okay, man. Please be okay. Utilization is down. Short borrow fee down. Yeah. Do you think they have final ace up their sleeve other than our emotion? No, I don't think that they have any aces up their sleeve. It's a battle of wits. It's a battle of patience. It's a battle of strength at this point. And look, guys, I know the fact that there's a lot of us is going to dilute our battle a little bit. We're going to have weak links. They're very focused, and they're very few. So they do have a better chance if they want to hold out together. But if we hold together, we can just blow this thing absolutely out of the water. It's costing hedge funds tons of money a daily while they hold out. Yes, it is, Oxford. They are paying a lot of money per day on the borrow rate. Arme Studio, I actually think Citadel won't get margin called. They can probably afford it, but the smaller hedge funds will get margin called when they start in the... Well, listen, you know, I did a video last night that says that they're going to be making money on the way up. Citadel's probably one of the hedge funds that are more heavily shorted than the smaller hedge funds. And they are also going to be making money on the way up because they own shares of AMC as well. But yeah, they've got a lot of liquidity. They got a lot of money on hand that they can close up some other positions and continue to meet those margin requirements. So it's not going to be as easy, but I think we can do it. If AMC released 25 million shares, do you think the hedge funds will try to push it until next year? Absolutely. I think they're going to try to push it until next year anyway, Gap. I think they want to see this thing last as long as possible so we all fall off and get bored. Wash and rinse, that's all they're doing. Yeah, they are doing that a lot. Rico, stay strong and stay long and strong for our ladies. Rico, that is also the plan. I'm poor now, so I've got nothing to lose. Mr. R, good way to look at it. They don't have to always borrow. They can buy in big chunks and sell in big chunks to imitate. They are buying back their shorts. True. I mean, guys, they got a lot of ways that they can make it look like they're doing something that they're not, but it doesn't change the fact that we hold. Mr. R, same. Very good. All right, guys, we are getting ready to sign off right now for lunch. If you want your name in the chat, get it in the chat right now so I can give you a quick shout-out on the way out. Clay, can I get a oh, yeah, you can get a oh, yeah. Not a nice long one, though. Latino. So if you guys want your name in the chat, get your name in the chat right now so I can shout you out. We're going to break for lunch at 12:30. We will be back at 3 o'clock. 3 to 5 should be the afternoon stream. We will also have the Chipmunk cam up on the board. If you guys want to see the Chipmunk in the afternoon, maybe he'll make an appearance today as well. All of you guys have a wonderful afternoon. Enjoy your lunch. And we got some shout-outs going for Neo Wolf, Detroit, Mr. R, Rico Suave, Latino Heat, RM Studios, New Foe Bro, Irving, and chat's not moving very fast. Blackjack PM, Clowny01, Gap, Rico Suave, Agent, Jack Stone, Samantha, David, Always Moose, ClayBro in the afternoon. I love it, Always Moose. Yes. Brian, trying to get the little shout out there. Brian, JG Lee, thank you. Marquis, see you later. Janet, see you later. Thank you very much for being in here and always hanging out. I love it. I do love a lot of people that hang out here all the time. It is very cool. Samantha J, Chipmunk Bro in the afternoon. Lauren, goodbye to drunk Lauren. I won't be later though. Oh, Lauren, you're going to be in here later. It's not saying that you're not going to be in here later. All right, Silver up later. Come back for lunch, Lauren. It's going to be a good time. Neo Wolf says, peace out. Jack Stack Silver. Hey, what is going on? The Ape Father. Shout out to you, real Ape Father and fake Ape Father alike. If you guys want to, check out all the links. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Doc Airline, shout out to you. Enjoy your lunch break as well. And all the links in the description below. Make sure to check out each and every one of those links. And until the neckbeard, if you guys want to say it with me, that's what we're saying this time. For M. James, coming out of the hospital, stay strong, man. Until the neckbeard. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the neckbeard. Jennifer, have a wonderful lunch. I see your name pop up there. Until the neckbeard, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.